Alrighty, guys, what is going on? And welcome to some live coverage here this evening. My name is Andrew Heichman. I'm your host here. Hope everyone's doing good. Glad to have everybody here. So, oh wow, my camera is really low. Let's go ahead and change that. Let's go ahead and move it up a little bit. But what's up, guys? Hope everyone's having a good day so far. Like I said, we have a pretty big severe weather event that is scheduled here for today. We're talking big probability for tornadoes, large hail damaging winds, and unfortunately we have a nocturnal tornado threat for tonight, which basically means that we have ourselves a active night for tornadoes. Got to be looking out here for. Reason I decided to go live here early is because we're already starting to see a lot of cells pop up, including this dude up here in northwestern Alabama. This thing was hooking pretty good here a few minutes ago. Still has a little bit of a hook to it. Anytime you have a hook on a storm like this, it could definitely turn tornadic. Which the latest, oh, there you go. They finally added tornado possible. Okay, good. Yeah, because a few minutes ago it was not tornado possible tag, which was, a little bit sketchy. But anyways, guys, what's up? Hope everyone's doing good. Let's go ahead and see who we have for today. We have TRG, we have Carson, Andy, Kyra. Oh gosh, here we go again. Mary, we have Jackson, Purple, Teresa, Sandra. Let's see here. I was inverted. Let's see, Mary. We have Ryan. We have Jenny. Let's see, Leo. What's up? SNY. What's up, everybody? Hope everyone's having a good day so far. But yeah, no, we're gonna have to do some coverage here. They ended up issuing a tornado watch here, not too long ago. I'd say probably about a half hour ago. Actually, no, probably more like an hour ago. They issued this tornado watch for portions of northeastern Arkansas, portions of eastern Oklahoma, southwestern Missouri, and a singular county out here in southeastern Kansas is under a tornado watch here for the next 298 minutes. This will be in effect until 10 p.m. Central, so this has about 9 hours, or wait a minute, 3 hours to go, not 9 hours to go. So that is kind of what we're looking at out here. So we're going to definitely have to be watching out here for this, But like I said, yep, once again, tornado watch in effect here for a possibility of a couple tornadoes. Let's go ahead and see the probabilities on this here from the Storm Prediction Center. Let's go ahead and hop over here to that area. Tornado watch number 618. Let's go ahead and zoom in here a little bit. So we have ourselves a 40% chance probability of 2 or more tornadoes. Let's see, EF2 plus, there is a 20% chance probability. So some significant tornadoes can be possible today across this watch area here. We can actually already start to see some storms popping off here. Let's see, Fire Captain 202, member for 1 month, Cat 1 Club. Thank you so much there, Fire Captain. Greatly appreciate it, man. Thank you so much, saying prayers or praying for everybody's safety. Absolutely, guys. 100%. Make sure that you keep your prayers out for today, because like I said, we potentially could be in for a significant night for damaging winds, hail, and tornadoes. Seems to be a possibility, so we're gonna have to be really on alert here. But yeah, they also included a possibility of hail being 2+ inches, over 40% chance probability, which is pretty crazy day. Like I said, definitely is going to be a pretty nasty one. Looks like a new severe thunderstorm warning just got issued north of Birmingham here. Let's see, this guy's for quarter size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and that's about it, so nothing too crazy. We're going to hop our way over back to the other area. We're going to hop back towards this new cell development that's popping up. Got a bit of storm activity popping south here of Joplin, Missouri right now towards Leawood and Loma Linda. So we're going to have to keep an eye out there for this regions here. We got quite a long flash flood warning. That's actually another concern today is the threat for flash flooding. We actually have ourselves a flash flood warning in effect for Baxter Springs, Galena, Joplin, Leawood. Let's see here, Reeds, La Russell, Mount Vernon, Halltown, those areas there. Let's see, Proxy with a $30 super chat. Proxy, thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. Proxy saying, hi everyone, good to be here. Thank you in advance for all your hard work and for caring for your listeners. You rock. Proxy, thank you so much for that whopping $30 donation. That was super sweet of you. Thank you, Proxy, and I'm glad to see you here. Hope you're doing all right, Prox. Thank you so much once again for the $30 donation. Everybody, please give Proxy a big thank you. That's super sweet of you, Prox. Thank you once again. Super nice of you. Thank you so much. Let's see here. We got a little supercell or a little thunderstorm popping up down here in south central Oklahoma towards Grady or let's see, Cornish, Wilson, Lone Grove. Let's see, is this guy anything crazy? Nickel size hail. It's not severe. And 60-mile-per-hour winds. So yeah, the only reason this one went severe is because of those wind gusts, essentially. Let's see here. What's up, Jenny? Hope you're doing good. Glad to have you here, Whitney, as well. Hope you guys are doing all right. Let's see. What about Braxton, Missouri? Well, like I said, the only thing that's severe right now, there's actually no severe warnings in Missouri right now. The only thing we got going on right now is just a flash flood warning for southwestern Missouri, kind of for Joplin. Yeah, Joplin, Missouri, y'all, is under a flash flood warning. So for those low-lying areas, out there towards Joplin, make sure you're prepared for this here, as flash flooding could be possible. Let's see here. What did they say? Okay, between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain has already fallen, with an additional amount up to 1 inch is possible. Let me see here. We're going to hop over to my radar on my other screen here. Let's see. Going to take a look out there towards... I won't radar. We're going to take a look and see what's going on out here. In terms of the total storm precipitation. Here we go. Oh, yeah. No, I could definitely see why they issued that warning there. That's for sure. Wow. I don't know what this warning was saying. Between 2 and 2.5 inches, according to radar here, we have a lot more than that's fallen. Let's see, Eureka with a $5 super chat. Thank you so much. That's super nice of you. Saying hello. Can I check on 38614 for tonight overnight? I live in a mobile home and I wanted to know if I need to evacuate. Gotcha. Of course, especially for our supporter. Thank you so much. 38614 real quickly. 38614 for Mississippi. Let's see here. I think you're in the northwestern side. Yeah, you're in the northwestern side here. You got yourself a 2% chance for tornadoes today. 5% chance for damaging winds. 5% chance for hail. So you're just in the marginal level 1 threat. I think either that, you're right next to level 2. But anyways, it seems like damaging winds is your main concern. I would be aware of the situation here. I would make sure that you are ready to go in case of a warning gets issued out there for you. So yeah, be safe out there. Once again, thank you so much for the 5. That's super nice of you. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, let's see here. Oh, we got a flash flood warning in Illinois too. This is Springfield, right? I think oh yeah, Springfield, Illinois. Yeah, there you go, guys. Flash flood warning for y'all in Springfield, Illinois. Let's see how much rain's falling out here. Wow, yeah, I can see that. I can see why they ended up doing this. Look at that. Radar. Now, remember, this is radar estimate here, showing nearly 2 to 4 inches of rain estimated here in eastern Springfield. For the center city, it seems more of the lines of kind of 1 to 3 inches has fallen. Let's see here. This warning says between 1.5 and 2.5 inches has already fallen, with an additional amount of 1 to 2 inches. So, but this warning is a little old. I wanted to let you all know that warning is a little old. So obviously more rain has fallen. That's why there's more rain showing up on this radar. It's because this warning's been out for some time now. Yeah, this warning has been out for a little bit of time now. All right, let's go ahead and hop back down to Alabama. Like I said, Alabama's getting hit pretty good right now. We did have a nice hook echo on that one storm out there in northwestern Alabama here east of Hamilton. Yep, still hooking a bit. Let's see, we got KGWX. That might be a weather radar to look at here. Let's go move my phone here. All right, let's see. Yeah, still got a little bit of a hook to it. It's kind of hard to see what's going on in those lower levels. Bit of contamination on the radar here, but overall things are, does not look like it's doing anything too crazy. Nothing on correlation coefficient, so I think we're good right now. They do have a tornado possible tag, which obviously means, in the future, a tornado could be possible out of that storm. So just make sure that you are paying attention there for that. Make sure that you are watching that here closely, okay? Like I said, obviously, anytime you have a little bit of a hook on a storm like that, that's a little concerning because it means that the storm could be rotating. So we'll need to look out for that. What's up, Pilot? Hope you're doing good, man. Glad to have you here. Let's see here. All right. But yeah, let's see. Eureka says thank you. You're very welcome. No problem. You are very, very welcome, my friend. But yeah, so we're going to have to keep an eye out there for those regions here. Let's see. We're going to hop back up here to... Oh, I have 2 radars in the same area open. Got 2 radars in the same area open here. Here we go. So, yeah, so we're going to need to watch out for these guys because these ones are going to blow up here in activity here in a little bit. We're going to need to really need to be looking out for this here. Let's see. Meso analysis here shows a lot of storm activity popping off here in a couple hours. Yeah, kind of like an MCS. Seems like that's kind of been shifted more south lately. Kind of what it looks like. So here's the meso analysis. Got to look out for these areas here. So yeah, this little complex of storms here, that's gonna turn into something nasty. Let's see here. Kai, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. That's super nice of you, Kai. Thank you so much. That's super sweet of you. big shout out goes to you. Thank you for helping out. It's greatly appreciated. But yeah, no, we got a lot of thunderstorm juice out there, y'all. Over 3,000 joules a kilogram. That's a lot of energy. That is a lot of energy. Let's see here. What about wind shear? Looking for the relative helicity. This will tell me. Oh, wow, dude. Whoa. Okay. So I know a lot of you guys don't know what this is, but this is basically measuring potential for rotating updrafts here. Helicity meaning that cyclonic rotation. That could be, yeah. So as these storms roll into this area here in northern Arkansas, yeah, the potential for lower level rotation occurring in those storms is actually getting increased. So, dang, dude, I was not expecting that. Nearly 500 in a little area up there in northeastern Arkansas. So, I mean, really, so this little line that we see popping off right now, this little guy right here that's popping off, it's gonna really start to grow in activity. You know, once again, I think that greatest tornado probability out there is going to be towards areas like right in here. Let's see here, kind of right in this area. And like I said, unfortunately, obviously, the problem with that, guys, is that the fact that it's turning night. I mean, we're already 6 o'clock p.m. It's usually sunset around 8 o'clock now. So yeah, this is going to be happening. The storms are going to be over here right over sunset, and obviously after the sun has already is set. So that's going to be a problem once again for nocturnal tornadoes. That's just something we don't want to mess with on any of those here. So that's kind of what I'm a little worried about tonight, y'all. Is just that big threat for tornadoes at nighttime. Let's see here. Will the storm stay in northern Arkansas or in the central Arkansas? Well, the threat does exist all the way down to southern Arkansas. So, you know, the biggest threat, yes, is across northern Arkansas, but the threat does extend into central and south central portions as well. All right, we got a warning down here, southeast Alabama. Nothing too crazy. Union Springs, Peachburg, and Aberfoyle in effect here till 5:45 p.m. Central. This is for 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail being possible. Definitely would say there's probably a lot of lightning activity, a whole lot too, with all that activity here. Let's see, I'm going to duplicate this page real quickly, y'all. Yeah, I'm actually going to open 2 meso analysis page. Holy cow, I just realized how much energy there is. Golly, so this is basically, you know, observations kind of based off the RAP model here. As close to an observation you're going to get. We have a lot of energy in place throughout Alabama and Mississippi. So yeah, so those few storms that are popping off right in there, they have tons and tons and tons of fuel to work with. Tons and tons of energy to work with here. Let's see, wind shear. I want to look at that lower level jet stream here. Let's see. Yeah, lower level jet's pretty weak, so I don't expect any tornadoes out there. Yeah, the tornado threat is mostly across, you know, obviously Arkansas. We have an increased lower level jet stream. You can see around 30 knots, so that will support some lower level rotation. High storm relative helicity values. Let's see here. Oh, Golden Arrow. Thank you so much. I did not see your thing here. Has purchased an NW116 hat and one other merch from the store. Well, thank you so much, Golden Arrow. Big shout out to you. Sorry I didn't see that here earlier. It didn't give me a notification. Well, thank you so much for that. It's super nice of you. And I hope that you enjoy your new merch. Yeah, the hat. I got a hat here. If you guys want to check out our hats, we have them in the description. It's kind of hard to see here. I just recently made these, y'all. So, you can see. Cool. Hook Echo on there. So, go ahead and check it out there on the page. You can get yourself one for $13. Right now, I don't make any profit towards them. Right now, I'm just trying to push out the merch. So, if you guys would like to get some, there you go. All right, let's see here. Can I check on Nashville? Yeah, I can do Nashville real quick. Yeah, there's nothing going on much up there right now. It's mostly just a bunch of, you know, scattered convection. Not necessarily anything crazy. Nashville's good for now, but Nashville should watch out for later on tonight, as that line will be rolling through early tomorrow morning, essentially. late tonight, early tomorrow morning. So we'll need to keep an eye out there for that. All right, let's see here. How's Cincinnati open Ohio? Yeah, Cincinnati's got not really too crazy of a threat. This is a little marginal today, but Cincinnati is not really an area we're expecting too much activity to kick off. Yeah, once again, guys, this line of storms this little complex you see here, that could probably use a different color considering my radar is mostly blue. Let's try yellow. Here we go. So this little complex of storm activity here, this is that main line that's going to be developing. So it looks like it's actually kicking off here a little early. That's why I pulled the plug and decided to end up going live here just a little bit earlier than what I was initially planning here. Yeah, I was planning on going live maybe around 7 or so. So there's satellite. Yeah, you can see all the clouds thickening up out there, across northeast Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, especially into southwestern Missouri. Once again, the models down in time here, you can see. Let's actually update the model. So this one's a little bit old, 21Z. According to this model, you can see all those storms there. That's what we're looking at. I'm actually going to make this look a little better for y'all. Going to zoom that in a bit. But yeah, no, that line of the complex of storms is going to continue to push through, and you can see how it's going to really push through overnight. Once again, this scan particularly right here is showing for midnight. And still having some pretty strong thunderstorms across, central northeastern Arkansas. So, like I said, this is going to be a big nighttime event too. It's not going to be that good, but like I said, we'll definitely have to be weather aware out there today. That is for sure. All right, let's hop back up here to northern. Yeah, a lot of activity starting to pop up here in northern Alabama. Like I said, possible rotation on that one storm. Yeah, I don't see much of it, but this thing does have a little bit of a hook echo to it. Yeah, anytime you, all right, here's a little weather fact for y'all guys. Anytime you see a little tail or a little hook on a storm like this, showing good signs that the storm's getting a lot of strong inflow, which definitely can result into a tornado. So it's getting a lot of strong inflow. This is where your updraft is located right here. It's pulling up a bunch of warm air into the storm. And let's see here. Yeah, so that is something you got to watch out for, especially right in this region. This is where your forward flank downdraft would be. Basically, a lot of cold air smacking the ground here, which is why they have a warning for 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail. So let's see, east of it. Oh wow, you know what, guys? I think we got some rotation here, right towards Bremen, northern Alabama. You guys know anybody out there? If you do, let them know. Between Bremen and the Colony, it should remain probably south of Bremen. I don't know. It's going. It might cut it close towards Bremen. Let's keep an eye on that one. Possible area of rotation out there. Nothing on correlation coefficient. So, but like I said, mostly today's concern. We're not expecting tornadoes. Or wait a minute, what was I thinking? No, they moved the threat. Sorry, I don't know what I was thinking here. No, but we are expecting there are a couple of tornadoes being possible up here across northern Alabama. That's kind of where that 5% ends, though. So the odds are not really too high up here. The biggest chance today for tornadoes is across like central northern, north central to northern Arkansas into southern Missouri here. That's kind of what we're looking at. But that is something that we are kind of seeing here. So we'll definitely need to be on the lookout here. Oh wow, look at this one behind it towards let's see, Bexar. Let's see, is there any rotation on this guy? Nope, nothing on that one. Yeah, we got to watch out there. So if y'all live out there towards Weston or Hamilton, I would keep an eye on this cell here, because once again, anytime you have a little tail like this, that's a hook echo, what we call it. Like I said, hook echoes can usually be associated with supercells in terms of rotating thunderstorms. And like I said, this storm right here is likely getting a lot of good inflow. A lot of warm air is being sucked up into the storm right now. So it's definitely cranking. But yeah, so you can kind of see how it has that little tail, that little hook to it. That could eventually go tornadic at some point. So we'll need to watch out for this one. This region's, in the 5% tornado threat. So looks like we're getting a lot of isolated kind of supercells popping off. And we got the gun to the east here towards Natural Bridge. Should also watch that one because this one's hooking as well. But possible new concerns out there towards Bexar, Weston, and Hamilton. Got to keep an eye out there for that one. Proxy says, I'm concerned for any chasers that might be following these cells tonight. Nocturnal tornadoes are particularly dicey to chase. Yeah, I don't like storm chasing at nighttime. That's for sure. That's one of my absolute no. You know, I absolutely say no to is storm chasing at nighttime. If you know what you're doing during the daytime, storm chasing, it's pretty good. As long as you know what you're doing, and know that you have multiple ways of getting out. You don't got to just have one emergency route. You got to have two to make sure that you are like ready to get out of the way if you can. Like I said, obviously if you can't, then that's not really good. But like I said, especially at nighttime, I mean, you can't see nothing. You can't wait to see it tonight because you gotta rely strictly off of these warnings, guys. Yeah, you gotta strictly rely off of these warnings, y'all, because like I said, you will not be able to see anything at nighttime, which is not gonna be good. Let's see, we got some live cameras out here in Missouri, y'all. Let's see, southeastern. We're gonna hop over the radar for a moment. Southeastern side. Let's see, got some in Joplin, I think actually. Let's see, we're gonna hop over to cameras out here in Joplin. Okay, yeah, let's go and do that real quickly. Actually, I can just turn the camera on right here. Look at this, y'all. There you go. Second to bottom. You guys can see that. That's a camera in southwestern Missouri out there towards Joplin. I think that's East Joplin right there. We are seeing ourselves. Obviously, the roads are soaked, and that's because of this activity that's starting to kick off here. Let's see, is that a little hook on that thing? Y'all see that? Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't see anything tornadic. I'm not concerned of any tornadoes right now out there right now, but like I said, you know, we got to watch this line closely because it's gonna have a shot at big hail, big damaging winds, and a couple tornadoes. So definitely something that we gotta, you know, really keep an eye out there for. Let's see here. All right. But yeah, no, once again, flash flood warning continues for Joplin. We're still continuing to see a bit of rainfall out towards those locations. Once again, Joplin's under a tornado watch, guys. We do have a tornado watch that's in effect across portions here of the Joplin, Missouri area here for portions of southwestern Missouri. But according to radar, yeah, look at this. Here, I'm going to go and show you all this. According to the radar, not terribly too long ago, we had ourselves basically a... radar's estimating anywhere from like 3 to 5 inches of rainfall that has fallen. Maybe some areas slightly higher, but once again, radar is this is just an estimate. Radar, this is not. it's based off of you know, radar estimates here on radar, but not necessarily as confirmed. I mean, like I said, radar's okay at, you know, giving an idea of how much rain fell, but it's never approximate to essentially what has actually fallen here. All right, let's see here. So once again, we got ourselves a severe warning out here in south central Oklahoma. Let's see, we got ourselves a warning out here towards Grady, towards Orr, Wilson, Lone Grove. Let's see here, Ringling, Ringling, and Cornish. Okay, y'all are in a warning here for nickel-sized hail still in 60-mile-an-hour winds. So yeah, that has not changed. That did not change at all, which is good. Still kind of doing its own little thing here. Let's see here. Okay, but now this line is something we need to watch for. Absolutely, something we got to watch out for, because like I said, this is going to be the main culprit tonight. This whole line is going to work its way down into Arkansas, and like I said, that's whenever it's going to, you know, possibly turn ugly. So, like I said, let's hope not. But all right, let's see. Keep an eye back on this hook here. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if this gets a severe thunderstorm warning here soon. You know, once again, y'all, we're tuning over here to Alabama right now. If you live out there towards Hamilton, Wesson, or Bexar, right in here, like I said, there's this possible rotating supercell that's trying to develop here. Like I said, we have a tail on it. We have a hook echo that's trying to form here, or that's already formed. A possible area of rotation that's going to happen here pretty soon. Right now, it does not seem there's much rotation out of it, which is good news. But like I said, the thing about these storms with tails on them, that's the thing, is that they could go tornadic at any moment. Also, east of this one, we have another one towards Natural Bridge, towards Lynn. Let's see here, south of Double Springs, essentially. They do have they did have a tornado possible tag on, I believe. Yeah, they did at one point, but they don't anymore. But I would still say it's something to watch out for. I mean, even if the tag is gone or not, they should still keep an eye out there for it. But that's that. All right, let's see. Southeastern portions of Alabama. We got another one out there. Let's see here. East Central side, we got Union Springs, we got Fort Davis, Peachburg, Aberfoyle. Yeah, there's a warning in place. Let's see. Yeah, you guys, like I said, let's try not to mention these other channels, y'all. Like I said, that's one of the rules I have in place is not talk about any other channel because they do their own thing. We do our own thing. No need to bring their drama in here. Like I said, we just try to keep things nice and civil here. Don't want a part of any other weather drama, if you know what I mean. All right, wow, dude, this thing is really okay. Yeah, I'm getting a little concerned for this cell up here towards Hamilton, Alabama. Hey, if you guys live out towards Hamilton, there's no warning in place right now. But I tell you what, this thing is definitely trying to hook, or it is hooking. Gotta watch out here for possible rotation here in the future. Would not be surprised if south of Bexar gets some rotation here. Eventually. I mean, look at that hook, dude. That is a beast. That is a beast of a storm here. Golly. Yeah, that's like a textbook. Oh, wow, look at this one to the north, too. Y'all see that? Got another embedded hook up there. We got 2 hooks. Holy cow, look at this, y'all. So we got to watch out for both of these. Change colors here. I always do that. I always choose the wrong color because it blends in a lot. Yeah, we got to watch out right here and right here for tornado potential. Those little hooks look, kind of, like I said, kind of looks a little, like nothing going on right now. Doesn't seem like much going on in velocity yet, but like I said, it could do something soon. Definitely is a bit of a concern. Let's see, is there any upper level rotation with this? Okay, so this one has upper level rotation, as you can see. Oh boy, yeah. Yep, bit of upper level rotation here towards Bexar. Let's see, this is about 3,000 feet. Yeah, I would not be surprised if they pull a tornado warning on this here very soon. We need one, considering there's upper level rotation. I mean, scanning not too high up. Lower level scans really not showing too much right now, but those upper level scans, I can see a little bit of a couplet that's developing here. So this could drop a tornado at some point. So once again, heads up towards Hamilton. I'm a little concerned for Hamilton right now. Not gonna lie, Weston and Hamilton. If you know anybody who lives out there, give them a heads up, please. Let's see, where's this at? Weston, Hamilton, up here in northwestern Alabama. This is what we're looking at right now. Dang, dude. We got a lot of supercell. Wow, look at this one, too. We got 3 supercells right here. Y'all see that? So, these are areas of possible rotation we got to look out for. Right in those areas, we're watching for possible tornadic activity. A big triangle of possible tornadic activity here. Once again, if you live out there towards, like, Lynn, Natural Bridge, I would keep an eye out there as well, because we have a hook on this storm here. Let's see, south of Hackleburg, I'd keep an eye on it, and south of Weston and south of Hamilton, I would keep an eye on it. Yeah, these are both rotating pretty good. Sorry, there's both a hook that's pretty good. Like I said, some upper level rotation has been observed here on previous radar scans. Right in there, there's a bit of, oh, that's not too, yeah. Wow, dude, yeah, that's, it definitely looks like that rotation is lowering, because so you literally go up 1 scan, 0.8, see a little bit of possible rotation there, you go to 0.13, and you see stronger rotation. So this is definitely already a supercell. This thing is rotating at, kind of those upper level scans. But even then, this is only scanning like 3,000, like 3,000 feet up, which, I mean, that's really not too high. I mean, luckily we have a radar that's right next to this site here, or right next to this storm here. But let's, yeah. No, I honestly don't know why they haven't put a tornado warning on this here yet. So Hamilton, Weston, probably going to get a tornado warning here soon. If I was to say, you probably would. Let's see, rotation north of Neosho, Missouri, weak but there. This is Kaylee. Okay, let's see, for Missouri. Let's go and hop back to Missouri for a moment. There's Neosho. Yeah, does that look a little possible hook there? Radar, let's see, Springfield radar, probably the best one we can look at right here. You say northwest of Neosho? North of me in the ocean. Oh, okay. Oh, I see that. I do. Right there. You are right about that. Yep, northwest of Neosho. Possible rotation here. South of Saginaw. So, once again, this is southwest Missouri, guys. Possible rotation here. Popping off already. Right there. Okay, let's keep it on it. Because, like I said, this is actually the boundary where tornadoes are most likely, essentially. Like I said, we have a 10% tornado threat out here for today, which is a little more than I'd like. Alright, yep, so let's go check some of these other areas. Yeah. So let's keep that one up here for a little bit. I'll keep it up on my screen here for a minute. Gonna hop back to the Alabama ones here. Once again, still seeing some upper level rotation occurring here. Waiting for that to drop a bit. Let's see here on the south, on the other warning here. Yeah, it looks like some upper level rotation is occurring on both of those storms here. Scanning between, like, you know, around 3,000 feet or so. So that rotation has to lower a bit, but right now it's still, you know, a little bit too high. But I tell you what, that is one heck of a hook echo, though. Like, that is pretty crazy. Let's see here. You think they're going to be a tornado outbreak already? Looks like Alabama's about to get smoked. Yeah, it kind of looks like Alabama's getting ready to possibly get some tornadic activity over the next couple of hours. Like I said, y'all are in that 5% after all. Once again, today's biggest threat has a 10% significant chance for EF2 plus tornadoes today. Once again, possibly up there towards southern Missouri and north central Arkansas. Big threat out there. But yeah, no, I'm keeping it out there for that that area of rotation northwest of Neosho, possible area that we are monitoring here. See, yeah, nothing on correlation coefficient. I wasn't expecting it to be, but gotta keep an eye on it, y'all. Gotta keep on looking. Let's see here. Okay, yep, let's gotta hop between both of these areas. Yeah, both. It looks like both Missouri and portions of Alabama starting to get possible tornadic activity here. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to another camera here. Let's see. I wonder if I have any cameras towards Neosho. I do, actually. Oh, boy. Okay, guys. So this camera is right over Neosho. So Kaylee, this is out by where you're at. This is a camera view. It's not too clear. It looks, not gonna lie, it looks like a camera from the 90s, but it's still wow, dude, that storm's getting pretty brutal. Let's see. Is there another camera I can probably pull up? We have two cameras out here. We got one also towards Clemens Drive in Neosho. Yeah, it looks nothing more than just overcast skies. All right, we're going to hop back to that one camera. I'm going to keep it up on a side panel here for everybody. Yeah, I'm a little worried about what's going on over here. Kind of see how it gets lighter? Right in there. That's something we're going to have to watch, that little area there. But I'm going to keep this up, guys. I'm just going to change back to radar here. Remember, you guys can still see it down here. If anything interesting happens on it, I'll tune back to it. Let's see it cooled off real quick, says Kaylee. Yeah, it probably will. It probably will here. Wow, dude, that is growing rotation. Yeah, that was not even there a few scans ago. Right there, southwest Missouri. Oh, that's going. It's kind of going southeast. Oh, wow. Okay, so Neosho should probably watch out for this here. Kaylee, do you say that you let's see, you can see that from your front yard. Kaylee, so you live in Neosho, right? Yeah, definitely would keep on watching that there. Here comes it now, right now, actually, on the camera. Wow, dude, look at that thing. Now, to whom it may concern, to a lot of people thinking those are tornadoes, thinking those are funnel clouds. They're not. Those are scud clouds, by the way. So for you guys who think that's a tornado, it's not. But like I said, there is some rotation up over here. Wow, dude, look at that. That is one heck of a sight. Wow. Holy cow. All right. All right, we're going to hop back to radar for now. We'll keep that one up on the camera. If anything happens, once again, we'll keep an eye on it. Still unwarned. Yeah, I'm surprised they haven't even put out a tornado warning for this here yet. So we'll hop back over there. Let's see what's going on back in Alabama real quickly. Got a few... Okay, so we had a little bit of upper level rotation on that one storm here towards Wesson. Oh, wow, there you go. Wow, this is lower level scan, y'all. Ooh, southwest Weston, we might got an area of rotation here too popping off right in there. That could be some possible tornadic activity starting to occur. All right, so if y'all live out here towards Hamilton and Weston, it looks like we might have a tornado that's trying to develop here west of Hamilton here. We better keep an eye out there for this one. Yep, definitely would consider watching this one. All right, let's see. We're gonna change back over to this guy. Yep, still possible rotation northwest of Neosho, Missouri. This is directly south of Joplin, by the way, y'all. All right, there's the camera here. Yeah, camera's brightened up a bit. Y'all are probably about to get hit pretty good. It looks like possible hail could happen on this one too, towards Neosho. So look out for possible hail. I mean, radar is estimating 1.5-inch hail, which once again, radar is not always good at estimating hail size because a lot of it has to do with temperatures and a lot of it elevation, and so. But yeah, let's keep an eye on this one here. Yeah, also in Alabama here, once again, northwestern side, possible rotation trying to kick off here west of Hamilton, Missouri, or Hamilton, Alabama. Got to be on alert here, y'all. Like I said, tornado threat starting. And like I said, it's going to continue overnight too, unfortunately. Unfortunately, cracking water number 2 already. Already been live for 40 minutes, and we're cracking another water bottle here. Remember to always stay hydrated. Whenever you talk like this 24/7, it's like you gotta always stay hydrated. I've noticed it definitely helps soothe the throat here. Oh man, okay. So camera's slowing down a bit. We're starting to lose a bit of packages here. But oh, there it is. Now it's back. Ooh, oh, now we're losing it again. Yeah, we're starting to lose a bit of connection on this camera. Also, the winds surely have picked up there. Holy cow, look at that. Now, those trees are blowing pretty good. Let's see, Neosho. Oh, there's definitely likely some hail. Dude, why aren't they issuing any warnings for this? Look at that camera. Holy cow. Goodness. All right, let's go ahead and change this back. All right, we're going to have that camera still up on the bottom tile here. So there's that storm right there in Neosho. Possible second area of rotation developing right behind it. So that's kind of where that main circulation was a minute ago. Now it looks like we might have another little slight signature of another meso starting. Yeah, that camera is starting to get really blasted right now. Golly. So Kaylee, please be safe out there, Kaylee. Let your friends and family know that there might be some tornadic activity to your northwest. Got to watch out for it because, like I said, this definitely does not look very pretty on radar. It's nothing intense. I mean, nothing too crazy right now, but it could happen in a matter of a second, you know. And obviously, know where to go, Kaylee. Central interior room. If you don't have a basement, if you have a basement or a storm cellar, that's the first place you want to go to. And if you don't, then central interior portion of your home, such as a closet, bathroom, could do it. Bring a helmet, help protect your head. Bring a first aid kit and your shoes. That's what I recommend. Okay, it looks like the winds have calmed down a little bit on that camera view. Yeah, so it's that initial first hit of winds. It's the strongest usually. All right, let's see here. Okay, it looks like that rotation might have faded out a bit. That's good. Still, I bet you that thing's going to hit pretty good. Oh, they issued a new flash flood warning for you. Well, now you're under a flash flood warning. So, Kaylee, if your area is prone to flooding, you're now under a flash flood warning. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen north of Neosho, with an additional amount of 1 to 2 being possible. Let's see here. I got a report of flooding here in, let's see. Can't tell if that's Oklahoma or Kansas. Right on the line here. Let's see, river/creek overflowing. Okay, so yeah, flooding. So there's some flooding going on here in Cherokee County, Kansas, 2 miles south of Baxter Springs. Got some reports out there of flooding going on. But I tell you what, y'all, over the last 40 minutes, I mean, look how much this line's developed here. I mean, it's not quite hitting that severe limit yet. I mean, I personally think it is. I think it's already getting pretty good. I mean, because those winds we've seen, that had to at least be like 40 miles. I can't tell you, obviously, exactly how fast that was, but it had to have been at least 30 miles an hour. Considering how much that pole was shaking, how much those trees were getting blown over, that was some pretty strong winds. So even though it's not right now, it's definitely approaching severe status. That's for sure. Fantastic. My apartment has a creek and a mini power plant behind it. Okay, that's lovely, Kaylee. So obviously, you seek higher ground if you can. Yeah, you don't want to be in those lower level areas. Got to keep an eye out there for it. All right, let's hop back down south here, y'all. Ooh, wow, we got a nasty warning. Holy cow, golf ball size hail, possible north of Birmingham. Actually, not just possible, it's been reported out there towards Hayden. Let's go ahead and hop over here to a closer radar. Let's see, we got ourselves KBMX here. Take a look at that. Wow. Holy cow. Look at that thing. So possibly, yeah, hail core is right there. See that pink, guys? That's the hail core right over Lehigh right now. Yeah, so we got some reports in Hayden, Alabama of golf ball size hail. Another report to the east, slightly a little smaller. Quarter size hail reported by the public. And then golf ball size was reported by the fire department. North of Hayden here. But that is, yeah, that's that. Let's see here. About to head to work for night. Can't fully keep track. How's Kentucky? Kentucky's not really in a big threat today. It's only western Kentucky to keep an eye out there for it. Keep an eye on radar if you can. Wow. Holy cow. Guys, look at the camera now. Wow. Shoot. That's got to be some strong winds too. Man, oh man. Let's see, Kai says, can I please get an answer to Jonesboro and Paragould area? Sun's coming out from my home and I'm by myself and scared to death. I'm only 14. I don't know. I don't want to die. Let's see here. So you said for where? He said for Jonesboro. Is that Jonesboro, Arkansas, I'm guessing? Okay, you're on the northeastern side. Okay, so there's nothing of concern right now. You're not even under a watch at the moment. I would keep an eye out there for later on today, though. But there ain't nothing around you right now, so you're okay. But just know it'll be all right. Just make sure that you're weather aware and just keeping an eye on radar. That's about it. And if there's a warning, we'll let you know so. But right now, everything's looking okay for you. No need to worry. All right, let's see. North of Birmingham here, y'all. Once again, we're seeing reports of up to golf ball size hail being reported here. Once again, we have Village Springs, we have Clay, Warrior, Trafford. Inside this warning here, they have it for golf ball size hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds being possible. So, got to watch out for some gusts, too. Let's see. Ray says interesting stuff. Andrew, how's your day? Louisiana heat is... yeah. Dude, it's not just Louisiana. It's been hot in a lot of places here. Let's see here. But my day's been going pretty good. Hope yours is going good as well. Dude, that camera is still shaking pretty good. All right, let's hop back up to Missouri here, y'all. Take a look back for possible rotation towards Neosho. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. Possible 2 areas still. Yeah, look at this. It's quite broad. I mean, still has a little bit of work to do. But possible areas of rotation right here and right here. Let's see. We're going to turn up my... There we go. Yeah, so I'd watch these areas right now. They're not seriously tight rotation yet, but we'll continue monitoring them right now. Let's see here. Let's go and change up to Tulsa radar for a minute. We got a warning up in northeastern Oklahoma. No rotation or anything on it, which is good. Let's see here. Towards Bartlesville and Dewey. 60-mile-an-hour wind gust, quarter-size hail. So kind of a baseline severe thunderstorm. Got that one storm down south. Still has not really changed. 60-mile-an-hour wind gust still. But yeah, once again, Kaylee, keep an eye on it. See, here comes the rain. Yeah. Looks like it's pouring out there. You also got to watch out for possible hail, too. Once again, this little pink area here north of Neosho, that could be possible, a little pocket of hail. Probably not anything too crazy, but, I mean, radar is scanning 7,000 feet up. Let's see if I can find a closer radar. Let's see, you got Springfield. Yeah, it's your closest radar out there. Yeah, radar's still showing it. So we're scanning about 4,000 feet up, and we got radar estimating nearly an inch of hail possible. So we'll keep an eye on it. Kai says, scaring me, I might go to my safe spot radio. Well, I mean, if that makes you feel better, Kai, you could do that. You could do that. Just, I'm glad to see that you're taking this seriously. A lot of people, that's the problem, is a lot of people don't take these events too seriously, and then a lot of people don't take these serious at all. But you're doing a good job. You are doing a good job in being ready. Got to give you that one. All right, let's see. Back over to, all right, once again, north of Birmingham. Pretty nasty storm going on here north of Birmingham. Once again, we have reports. Oh, looks like another report just came in here, not a little bit before here, and from the public. West of Smoke Rise, we got reports of, let's see, $half size hail has been reported there. Let's see, do I have another camera? I think I had another camera on, let's see here. Yes, I think I do. Yep. Another Neosho camera. Yeah, I'm a little interested in the storm up here. Wouldn't quite call this rotation, but the winds are definitely increasing. Got some ins and outs in different places. I don't see any tight rotation quite now. Let's see, they have a tornado possible on this thing? They do. They have a tornado possible tag on it, so we'll have to watch out for this here for possible future. Wow! Look at this, guys. Oh, man. So now we're seeing larger than golf ball hail. Right there towards Smoke Rise. Got another report here of 2 inches in diameter. That is quite large. Quite large hail being reported out there towards Smoke Rise. Obviously, the storm is now away from Smoke Rise. I mean, it's clear out there now, but shoot, let's see, another warning up northwest here. Change back to KGWX here. Okay, I don't see any other areas of rotation right now. Yeah, you gotta watch out for these little baby cells right here. They might not look like much right now, but they can quickly go instantly tornadic in a matter of minutes. Considering, like I said, the environment that we're in here, there is tornado probability. Let's see. Change back over to meso analysis real quickly. Storm relative helicity out here, surface 3 kilometer. Yeah, so the highest. Okay, that's good to know. So according to meso analysis, which is basically current conditions here, based off the RAP model, you can see how now this is a value I'm sure you guys don't understand, but so basically right in here. The more northwest you go into Alabama, the greater the probability of tornadoes is, and that lower level rotation is stronger across these areas here. That's right where those supercells are, those kind of isolated supercells we have here. So I would not be surprised if we did get a couple spin-up tornadoes to possibly occur up in these regions. Once again, the biggest threat's up here in Arkansas, and you can already see these values here well over 300. Yeah, anytime you go over 300 plus in the helicity values, that's basically measuring your your rotating updrafts here essentially. like I said, I mean, seriously, anytime you have it 250 plus, really, that's a big concern for big tornadoes. And you can see the values get up as high as like the 450 to 500 range. So once again, a couple of really strong and possibly violent tornadoes could be possible out there towards Arkansas today. It's kind of what I'm a little concerned about, and that's going to be happening at nighttime too, which that's a little unfortunate for timing wise, but you know, it is what it is. But you know, we just got to be here to track it. I gotta bring my pillow. I brought my pillow down so I could place it, because this backrest is not very comfortable. Any tornadoes in Springfield, Missouri? No. Not right now. There's no warnings for tornadoes right now. All we got is all these severe thunderstorm warnings here popping off. That's about all we got going on right now. So I'm going to keep that up. So whenever I get a tornado warning, I'll get notified here. Let's see here. Yep, got the alarm sounded. Okay, so yeah, whenever a tornado warning gets issued, you'll hear it. You'll hear it on the audio, and as well as we'll see it. All right, let's see. Yeah, this is obviously the most mature storm right now popping off. Yeah, I can see why this storm has the biggest hail, has the most amount of instability across that hail growth zone between -10 and -30 degrees Celsius limit. It's a lot of nerd talk. Just ignore me when I do nerd talk. But I do see why there is a lot more larger hail down here. It's probably the biggest hail is probably going to exist on the southern side, and so right in here, probably the chances for the biggest hail out of this area. And then tornadic activity is probably going to be the biggest up here, from what the current analysis shows. Essentially, it's probably. All right, we're gonna hop back to. Let's go and take a look back up in Missouri here. Go and take a look back in Neosho. Oh yeah, possible rotation still north of Neosho. Got to keep an eye on that. Still, it's trying. It definitely looks like it's trying there. You know, we got to definitely keep an eye out there for it. Let's see here. 72 dew points is for sure a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. Yeah, a lot of lower level moisture, which is good for that. Good for those updrafts. So you know the storms are eating good. Let's see. What area has the biggest threat for nocturnal tornadoes? Says Dominic. That would be South Missouri and North Central Arkansas. Mostly in this area here. Right in there. That's where you're gonna have your biggest tornado probability, your nighttime tornado probability. Dude, is it me or is this rotation tightening? Wow, dude. Yeah, I don't know. It's trying. It's definitely trying to rotate a bit. Let's see here. What's our helicities out here? Yeah, our helicities is between 1 and 150. I mean, it could have I mean, that is enough possibility for low level rotation. I mean, we got our lower level jet stream about 15 to 20 knots. I mean, it's nothing too insane, but it could spawn a weak tornado or two. All right, let's hop back down here to south here. Oh wow, new warning just got issued for golf ball size hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds. All right, so y'all in Asheville. Okay, remember we're in Alabama now, y'all. Alabama out here towards Springville, Asheville, Ragland, and Wattsville, Odenville, and Margaret included. Now under a severe thunderstorm warning for golf ball size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Storms moving east at 30 miles an hour. So obviously Riverside also will be impacted by the storm. So heads up to y'all out there. If you know anybody who lives in those areas, give them a heads up. Let them know that golf ball size hail is possible. Not only is it possible, but earlier on the storm's life, we did have reports of 2 inches in diameter hail. Literally larger than golf ball size hail has been reported already out of the storm here. So, like I said, those areas coming up, better look out for it. Yeah, Springville's probably going to get hit here first, it looks like. Is it a possibility to have one big EF2 plus tornado today? Yes, it is. It is possible. We have a 10% chance today. We have that 10 sig risk out there. Here, I'll go ahead and hop y'all over here real quickly. So here's today's tornado threat, y'all. You can see the biggest concern there is for basically a lot of the central. Of course, I picked the wrong colors for everything. But right here, this is where the biggest tornado threat is for today. And the potential for EF2 plus could exist across north central Arkansas and southern Missouri. Of course, like I said, any shade of color here has a chance for tornadoes. Like I said, not too large of a chance across the green, 2% chance, 5% chance across the brown, and then, like I said, 10% chance across the yellow. So you can see how closer you get towards the yellow, the increased probability of seeing tornadoes exists. All right, let's see here. Take a look back over at velocity. Oh wow, that's some rotation here northwest of Village Springs. That's some pretty upper level rotation though. Let's go and take a look at Birmingham. Radar south of Birmingham towards Columbiana. Oh boy. Yeah, we better watch this storm closely. Yeah, we might very well have upper level rotation on this one. Okay, so let's keep an eye on the cell here. Do they have any tornado possible tags on it? They do. They have a tornado possible tag. So a little bit of upper level rotation on that storm there. We got to keep an eye out there for it. Let's see here. Depressed and stressed says, hello, resident of current significant tornado risk. Everyone that upset they aren't getting weather, you're more than welcome to trade. Y'all take this Arkansas stuff. I'll go somewhere else. I hear ya. No, I don't. Nobody should have this stuff. Honestly, nobody needs it. Especially these nighttime tornadoes. Nope. Nobody. I mean, even if you want a tornado, which I don't know why anybody would want a tornado. Yeah, nobody needs this. Nobody needs this. Nighttime tornadoes. I mean, tornadoes are dangerous themselves, but nighttime tornadoes where you can't see nothing, yeah. It's not so good. Not so good. All right, let's see here. Warning to the south here. We have a warning for Goodwater and Millersville. Let's see, 60 mile an hour wind gust, quarters hail. So, quarter size hail and 60 mile an hour wind gust is kind of like that mediocre kind of. That's at the line where it becomes severe. So it's nothing absolutely astronomical or yeah, you know what I mean, astronomically anything crazy, but it is it could cause some mild damage. But anyways, let's see, any tornado attacks for Southwest Springfield, Missouri? I don't think there's not even any warnings for Missouri. Yeah, there's no warnings for Missouri right now other than these flash flood warnings, but those aren't. Yeah, those aren't anything. All right, yes. Oh, wow, look at this. We do got reports out there towards Purdy. Oh, gosh. Towards Purdy. MPing report. River/creek overflowing. Cropland/yard basement flooding. Ooh, that's not good. Yeah, you got to watch out for those low-lying areas. Yeah, once again, we got a flooding threat today, y'all, if I haven't said it already. Let me actually bring up the flooding threat for you guys. Here, let me pull this up for y'all. So here's today's flooding threat. We got ourselves a 15% chance. So anywhere in the yellow has a pretty decent shot for flooding today. As you all are expecting possibly some excessive rainfall. That's your excessive rainfall outlook here. We have a level 2 out of 4, so kind of a middle threat for possible big flooding to occur. Obviously these areas are getting the big storms, but some kind of non-convective rain will be possible for like the upper Ohio Valley. So probably gonna get some rain out of it that could lead to some flash flooding. But overall, most of it is out of the big thunderstorms there. Let's see here. Okay, I think it's safe to say the Neoshoe might be okay now. Yeah, honestly, kind of looks like it's fading a bit. That's good. Yeah, there for a little bit though, y'all. It definitely looked like there was a bit of rotation popping up over that up near northwest of Neoshoe. Let's see here. Okay, I got increased velocities here towards McCord Bend. Will not be surprised if we get a warning on that here soon. I mean, considering that radar is estimating. Let's see here. Yeah, considering radar is estimating nearly like 40 plus mile an hour winds here. All right, let's watch out there for like Galena, Cape Fair area. Possible. Also, radar is estimating nearly 1.5 inches. Yeah, that might get warned here soon, y'all. We might get a warning in southwest Missouri, maybe towards Cape Fair here soon. So we'll watch out for that. 1 o'clock today, the tornado siren went off for 10 minutes for no reason. Probably testing. Wednesdays, I think they do tests on Wednesdays. Not every Wednesday, but they did a weather radio test for me today. It scared me to death earlier this morning, but all right, let's hop back down to the south here, y'all. Yeah, nothing really changed much other than those. Like I said, we had a lot of hail reports here a little bit ago. Yeah, we had a bit of hail reports out of the storm here towards Trafford, towards Village Springs, towards Clay, Springville, Margaret, Odenville, Wattsville, Asheville, Ragland. Yeah, those areas there. We had a bit of hail possibilities. Y'all are under a warning for possibly golf ball size hail here, so make sure you all are watching that one closely. Hop back to KGWX here. Still got those hooking supercells. It just goes to show you that lower level winds are turning with elevation. It's crazy to see that, but we got a little bit of a hook right here. Black's probably not the best to do on a black background. So right in there. Watch out for possible tornadic activity both there and right in here. Just keep an eye on it. See velocities. Yeah, there ain't much rotation on them. There's no rotation on them right now. But that could change. Could change. Was that all we were getting in the Oshu? Lame. Yeah, probably. Yep. Yeah, that's probably all you guys are gonna get, because north of this the instability drops. What did I tell ya? What did I say? Reed Spring now under a severe thunderstorm warning. Let me guess for all right before it pops up. $50 size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. 60-mile-an-hour wind gust, quarter size hail. Dang it, I was close. All right, there you go. Well, anyways, severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Missouri. Yeah, I figured they were doing that because those increased velocities out there. You guys saw that firsthand. We called that too a few minutes ago. They were probably working on the warning as I was saying that. Working on getting that warning out as soon as I was saying that. Yeah, so Reed Spring, Cape Fear, Branson West area, Walnut Shade, Merriam Wood, Branson, Hollister, Kirbyville, Saddlebrook, those areas. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, we'll definitely keep it on it. Perfect. Now I gotta call my cousin because she lives in Branson. Look like I could rotate to. Wait a minute. Why do I have deja vu? I feel like I covered your area. Kaylee, didn't I cover your cousin before? You and your cousin? I remember specifically this area now that you say that. I literally remember this area now that you say that. Yep. Southwest Missouri got our first severe thunderstorm warning on that line. It's a bit of a problem. Let's see it. Man, I had to sneeze. God, I hate it when that happens. I had to sneeze and then it went away last minute. It's like, come on. Alright, let's see. Alabama, any rotation? Scanning for some rotation here. We got a couple severes. Once again, north of Birmingham, possibility for golf ball size hail. I feel like that hail threat might have dropped. Because earlier you can see there's a bit of pink here, and now it seems like that's gone. Golf ball size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind. So yeah, I don't think. Yeah, no, definitely. I don't think that hail's that big of a concern anymore out of that storm. Nothing even popping up on correlation coefficient showing that difference in precipitation size. Not really that much of a difference, anyways. See, good water, possible hook echo out there. Millerville. Warning out there for $50 size hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds out there. Lightning has picked up. Stay safe out there, Carrie. Very weird feeling. Yeah, I hear you. It's a calm before the storm, they say. Calm before the storm. Leon says, sorry I'm late. You're good. No worries. Like I said, y'all can join whenever you want. I understand that life is a thing, and it's, you're doing other things 1 minute. Dude, we got a train of hooks. Do y'all see this? We got a hook right there. We got a hook right here, and we got a hook right here. A literal train of supercells is ongoing right now. But they don't appear to be rotating in the lower levels. Whoa, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Weak rotation possibly right here. Considering the velocity is probably a little bit delayed, that is probably associated with that meso. Wow. Am I planning on streaming to the late night? I'm not sure. I would try my hardest to. I'll try to stream as long as I can. See, I don't see Branson getting any strong tornadoes, too many hills and valleys. Well, believe it or not, hills and valleys, terrain does not always stop tornado formation. There can still be tornadoes in the mountains and hills, yes. But it does kind of disrupt maybe a little bit of that lower level winds, but yeah. But the good news, yeah, I don't see much rotation on it. Mostly right now it seems like a wind bag essentially. But that's about all I see. Let's see. Also towards Bartlesville. Yeah, that's a warning for northeastern. $50 size hail only. So winds are expected to remain under 60-mile-an-hour winds. Towards Bartlesville, Delaware. Not the state, but Dewey as well. Alright. Yeah, nothing too much going on out there right now. That's good news. Yeah, you'll see me hopping back and forth, y'all. Let's see. Hey, what's up, Shockwave? Hope you're doing good, man. Alright, let's hop back to the... Oh, is that a new warning we just got? Yep, it is. Towards Moody, Leeds, and Pell City. Alabama. This is just east of Birmingham, y'all. Directly east of Birmingham. Not too far from Birmingham, actually. I'd say probably 30 miles east, maybe. What's up, Velocity? Says, thankfully, it's a bus today. I wouldn't call it a bus because the event hasn't even started. Let's see here. Pilot said, I cut my finger. Oh, wow. That ain't good, pilot. Dang, dude. Well, I hope you get better soon, man. That sucks. But that hurt. Whoa. What's going on over here, y'all? Possible weak rotation happening. East of Clay. I don't know. Let's watch that. It's not tight here. It's not anything concerning right now, but let's keep an eye on it. Let's see here. There you go. I was about to say, we probably need a new warning for this. I bet you they included tornado possible, didn't they? No, they didn't. Wow, that's surprising. There is a tornado watch in effect for these areas, by the way. Yeah, we have a tornado watch for eastern Oklahoma, northwest Kansas, or sorry, northwest Arkansas, or Arkansas. I used to call it Arkansas when I was little. Eastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas. I almost said Arkansas, southwestern Missouri here for today. Let's actually turn off that precipitation outlook here. Here, I'll go ahead and show y'all where the watch is right now. Here's where that tornado watch exists. Let's go ahead and turn off these warnings. We don't need these warnings on here. I'll keep tornado warnings only on, but those severe thunderstorm warnings, yeah. So there's the watch area. So once again, eastern Oklahoma. It's east of Tulsa. So there's Tulsa right there. The watch is east of Tulsa. We got a singular county. We have one county here for Columbus. Look at that. Some nice little building infrastructure there. So Columbus is inside of that watch. And a lot of southwestern Missouri, including Springfield, including Joplin. Yeah, once again, Joplin's a pretty populated area as well. But that's that. I think most of the threat's over for Joplin, though. Let's see. Is it possible for a day 3 moderate risk to be issued by the SPC? I haven't paid attention much to the day 3 outlook yet. I've mostly just been paying attention to today's risk. Yeah, today's risk is something else. Got quite a night ahead of us, it looks like. Anyways, but yeah, the new warning they have here for Ozark, for Highlandville, Chadwick, Sparta. Let's see here, 60-mile-per-hour winds, and quarter-size hail being possible. That is kind of what we're looking at out here. Let's see here. No, I definitely do see those winds being possible on both of those ones. Possibly some, some winds going out here towards Reed Spring. Could get pretty gusty. Branson West possibly even as well. Yeah, remain weather aware out there, y'all. Keep an eye on it. Let's see here. Day 3, like 45, 6 severe. What? What are y'all talking about, Caden? Are you talking about a big risk out here? Shoot, that's. Let's see. Let me actually take a look at the Storm Prediction Center here for that. For day 3. Yeah, what are y'all talking about? Bro, it's literally just a slight risk for Illinois. I don't even see what y'all are talking about. Day 5 has a risk across Iowa, so we'll keep an eye on that day as it comes around. All right, let's see here. This might be a stupid question, but would there be a chance of tornadoes in Springfield, Missouri? Yes, there's a possibility. I mean, Springfield's under a tornado watch right now. Okay. Like I said, the odds of you specifically getting a tornado is not very high, but like I said, there is a risk out there. All right, let's hop back down to, let's see, Alabama here. See what's going on down this way. Let's see here. Okay, so we got ourselves, still got those warnings out there. Let's see, are these still for golf ball? Why I don't understand why they still have these for golf ball size hail. That hail core is like dead. Except for this one. Looks like this one might be starting to grow up a bit towards Village Springs, northwest side. A little bit of pink popping up on radar here. Correlation coefficient showing a little area too. Likely some hail scatters going on there. Okay, we'll watch out for that. But I could see that one Yeah, but this warning's for $50 size. Dude, I don't understand Birmingham National Weather Service sometimes. I don't understand. Let's see here. Anyways. Alright, let's see here. See, a new mesoscale discussion apparently has been issued here. Let's see what's all this about. Best near-term severe weather risks. Severe threats slowly increasing. Okay, I'm going to show you all this real quickly. Yeah, we just got new updates from the Storm Prediction Center here. What? Apparently we had a tornado report today. I don't know where the heck that was. Oh, man. They also are considering a watch across southern Oklahoma into north central Texas. And wait a minute. We have a watch for those regions. Yeah, I didn't even notice this, guys. Look at this. Shoot, I'm slow whenever it comes to watches, man. I tell you what. Whoops, wrong screen. Yeah, we got a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for areas north of Dallas, including areas east of Wichita Falls. Little watch out there in effect. Let's see, for max hail up to quarter size and damaging wind gusts up to 70 plus, or 70 being possible. Let me turn on severe thunderstorm watches here too. Turn both of these guys on. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. So it should pop up in a minute whenever it updates. But yeah, no, we got ourselves new watches out there. All right, Jenny, sounds good. But yeah, no, their new mesoscale discussion is right here. I'll go ahead and hop you all over to full screen. So the Storm Prediction Center is basically saying the greatest near-term severe weather risk is going to be across southwestern Missouri, with a slowly increasing thunderstorm risk for northwestern Arkansas and the east central Oklahoma. Let's see what the HRRR model has to say. I'm curious on the latest run. See what this is going to talk about here. Got 22 Zulu out, or it's currently running. Yeah, so that is the big line. Wow, look at that. A lot of embedded supercells according to the HRRR here. There you go. A lot of embedded supercells all the way from east central Oklahoma to northwestern Arkansas here. And that threat's going to track southeast here through the next while. I mean, look at that thing. Wow, that becomes quite a quite a rainmaker, it looks like, too. No wonder why we have a flooding threat. Sheesh, that's crazy. Let's see, what about RAP? How much rain is possible out of this here? That's what I'm a little concerned about now. Let's see. That would be under precipitation. Total precipitation accumulation. Okay, according to the rate, or according to, wow, dude. Here, I'm gonna make this a little bigger for y'all. So according to RAP model, could see some streaks upwards of, you know, I'd even say up to 3 inches, maybe up to 4 inches max. See, NAM shows, yeah, NAM kind of shows the same thing. A couple streaks up to 3 inches. It really just depends on where those storms end up firing off from. I mean, you can see, yeah, HRRR has that as well. So, honestly, yeah, definitely some streaks of possibly 2 to 3 inches of rainfall in some areas. But once again, it really just relies and just depends on what exact area gets hit by thunderstorms. Because thunderstorms, obviously, not only do they have nasty effects, but they also, you know, drop the most amount of rain, essentially. So, I might be getting some rain. Yeah, maybe. Maybe a little bit. All right, let's see. Hop back over to Alabama. Let's see. Any rotation? Switch back to KGWX here. Kind of for northeastern, radar northeastern Mississippi. Yeah. Okay, I'm not seeing much rotation right now. Let's hop back to Missouri here. Okay. Yeah, I still don't see much rotation happening out of any of these areas, which is good. Which is good news. It's probably going to change here a bit. Look at Oklahoma. Wait, where? Where at in Oklahoma? Is it down here? Let's try Oklahoma City real quick. You wanted me to look in that weird town name? Wherever that's at. Let's see. Yeah, I have no idea where you're talking about, my friend. What's up, Maddie? Hope you're doing good. Glad to have you here. Apparently, we got a considerable severe thunderstorm warning still in effect for St. Clair, county of St. Clair, Mississippi, or sorry, Alabama. Yep, still golf ball size hail is warned. Golf ball size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts being possible. I know I love horrible weather because I like looking at the clouds. No, I hear you. No, you know that's the thing. There's a beauty and a beast out of it. You know, that's the thing, is that the beauty is these storms are beautiful. I mean, it's quite a sight to see, but the beast part is, like, you know, the amount of destruction that these storms can cause. It's not good, especially during a nighttime event. Yeah, those nighttime events are something we don't like. I mean, gotta rock the merch, guys. Hey, check out our merch in our description, y'all, if you haven't already. That might be possible rotation here. Y'all see that? Right there. That might be some possible rotation trying to kick off here. Let's see. Where is this at? South of Arley. Yeah, south of Arley, Alabama. North of Jasper. It looks mostly rural. Let's see. Do I have any cameras out in Alabama? I might. Let's see. Got a whole network of cameras. Some of these work, some of them don't, so. See your cameras. Go and turn that on. If it'll even load. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on that region. Let's see. Oh yeah, Alabama was. Ugh. Alabama's site is terrible. So let's just stick with our good old. Actually, you know what? This is Missouri. Let's try Arkansas. Yeah, Arkansas is probably where we should switch over to now, considering these storms are starting to move their way up into Arkansas. Let's see, northwest Arkansas here. Yeah, they're not quite there yet, but they'll be moving there soon. Got a bit of scattered convection across central Arkansas popping off right now. Coffee says, might have to buy one of your mugs. Well, there you go, Coffee. I mean, coffee's in your name. If you do, I'll give you a shout out on the, because it pops up on my side, which is pretty cool. All right, let's see here. All right, what's going on up here in central Alabama now? Yeah, definitely a lot of turbulence. I can tell you that one. Definitely a lot of turbulence. You got a lot of winds coming towards and heading away from radar. It's like crazy. But right now there's no like solid rotation on any of these. It's mostly just like gusty winds, just normal thunderstorm activity. But like I said, hey, let's keep an eye on it because it could definitely go. Yeah, it could definitely go tornadic here at any moment. Let's see here. I grew up around St. Louis. Nighttime events are very scary. Now I'm over Washington State. Track severe weather for my friends in other areas of the U.S. Gotcha. Definitely nighttime events are not fun. Yeah, nighttime events are definitely a little bit dangerous. That's for sure. Check out North Wyandotte. Let's see. Is this Oklahoma? You said there's not warnings out there. I think they got rid of that warning there. Let's see here. You're talking. Let's see. There it is, right there. Are you talking about that? Oh, that little area. Yeah, it looks like some marginal rotation. Yeah, no, there's nothing on CC or anything. So, no confirmed tornado right now. Anyways, but yeah, no, there was a little bit of rotation. Seems like it might be dispersing a bit. Let's see here. How have I been, says Crystal? I've been pretty good. Oh wait, hold on, never mind. You're talking to Andy. Whoops. Sometimes people call me Andy, even though my name is Andrew. So it's like I respond if they say Andy. I'm like, oh, whoops. My bad. All right, let's see here. Yeah, so once again, a lot of turbulence up in these storms northeast of Birmingham. Still no set in stone rotation yet. Let's see, we're going to hop back to northeastern Mississippi, KGWX radar, looking at northwest Alabama. Same thing, yeah, I'm not really seeing much rotation. We do got a few, we did have a few hooks. Yeah, we got a little hook right there. But these hooks have not been doing anything. Yeah, I haven't really been doing much of anything here, but still, I mean, I'd still watch out for these hooks, especially for this evening as the bases are going to be lowering a bit. Let's see. Mixed layer. Yeah, we got a lot of energy out here. A lot of thunderstorm energy out here. Oh, look at that. Just got a warning for both of those cells. I guarantee you they put a tornado possible on it. They did not. Wow, that's interesting. 60-mile-an-hour wind gust quarter-size hail moving east at 35. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of rain for some of these areas, I'm sure. Like Natural Bridge. If this backstorm towards Hamilton can reach Natural Bridge, considering the first storm they got, they're probably going to get slammed by a lot of rain. See, Dima says, you really been in top of coverage. Good job. Oh, well, thank you, Dima. That's very sweet of you. Like I said, I try to be here for you guys in order to make sure y'all are up to date. Oh, shoot. We got a new watch, y'all. Or is this new? What the heck? Apparently it's not new, but we had a watch up in northern Alabama. Well, now y'all know that. I thought they just issued that. What the heck? That was not there a minute ago. Gotta love my program. Sometimes they sometimes they're a little late to the show. How am I doing, Andrew? Thanks for all you do from Nova Scotia, Canada. I'm doing good, Kim. Hope you're doing good as well. Glad to have you here. All right, radar is now estimating. Oh wow, nearly 2.5-inch hail according to radar. I don't see no dispersing on correlation coefficient though. Yeah, I don't trust that. That's why it's still set at quarter size hail, I'm sure. Radar's being a little bit funny. Let's try KMXX in East Central Alabama here. Got a kind of discrete supercell, little hook on it. Yeah, no rotation though. That's good. Towards Millerville. What the heck happened? What is going on with my stream? Hold on. Okay, are we good? Dude, my program, my weather, dude, my streaming software, like, I don't know if that affected any of you guys. I hope it didn't. But it, like, cut off a lot of my screen for a minute. That's weird. But, anyways, but yeah, no, watch out towards Millerville. South of Millerville, there's actually another cell that's popping up here. Yeah, another cell that's kicking off here. This is actually just shy north of Montgomery. Probably about 20 miles or so north of Montgomery. So we'll watch out for that. Clayton, what do you mean all no rotation? We don't want any tornadoes today, y'all. Like I said. I mean, I get that they're cool for storm chasing and stuff, but nighttime tornadoes, no. No, Don't want any of that, okay? Let's see. Still really not much rotation there. Oh, okay, nothing happened for y'all. Okay, cool. Yeah, that was weird. I've never seen that happen. My software was glitching a little bit for a minute. Hopefully it doesn't do anything. I was worried it cut the stream for a minute. Hopefully that didn't happen. Knock on wood. Let's see. Yeah, I just see mostly like gusty winds out of velocity. Still really no solid set area of tornado activity. Let's see. I'm going to hop back to meso analysis with y'all real quickly. I'm going to do a little bit of analysis real quick before we continue on the radar look. Let's see. Upper air, we're going to take a look at the lower level jet stream. So obviously that's the strongest. Yeah, so our strongest lower level winds, which is a key component for tornadoes, is right up across northern Arkansas. You see that? I mean, we have our lower level jet here pretty daggone strong across this area here. So once this line of storms tracks its way in towards northern Arkansas, I think that we're going to see a lot more increasing tornadic activity. Let's see here. Yeah, storm multiplicity 0 to 3 kilometers. Also the highest up in northeastern Arkansas. Basically measuring the potential there for those rotating, those rotating updrafts is the highest up here in like northern Arkansas. So right now, like I said, the capability for tornadoes is fairly limited due to 100 to 150 storm relative helicity from 0 to 3 kilometers. That increases once you move our way up into northeastern Arkansas. So, yeah, the big tornado event is still to happen. That's going to kick off tonight, it looks like. So no wonder why things are a little slow right now, but it's going to gradually increase as the storms track south. As these storms head into a more prone tornado environment here. So, yeah, right now, right off the bat, it kind of seems mostly like a flooding threat right now, considering a lot of rain's being dumped over southwestern Missouri right now. Like I said, Joplin's still in a warning. It's flash flood warning here. They say an additional amount up to 1 inch is possible, yet most of the rain is stopped out there. I think it's yeah, like I said, basically probably needs to do a new update on that. Let's see, Ray says, Andrew, would you love to do severe weather outside at a beach or something? What, like, to track severe weather or what? Just for cool content? You mean like film severe thunderstorms? That would be cool. That would be pretty cool. Alright, let's see. Andrew, I didn't want to hear that more tornadic activity will come this way. Everyone in Arkansas says once it gets in linear mode, we won't have as much tornado threat. That's not really true. So basically, once it goes into linear mode, obviously, yeah, damaging winds is the main concern, followed by a little bit of hail. But the thing is, it actually becomes more of a problem for if tornadoes happen, because you got to think, inside of a long line of thunderstorms, the rotation is going to happen right under that heavy precipitation, in which that not only would it be nighttime, there would be rain-wrapped tornadoes. That's another concern, is the threat for rain-wrapped nighttime nocturnal tornadoes. So that's not good. So I wouldn't say it per se. I mean, it doesn't help the tornado threat, I would say, but it doesn't really take away any of that chance. I mean, still, there's going to be a possibility for what we call QLCS tornadoes. I don't want a night one. Clayton, I hear you. Yeah, nobody wants any tornadoes at night. So like I said, don't wait till you see it or hear it. If you ever get a warning tonight, guys, for tornadoes or anything like that, just make sure that you get and you take action immediately. Okay, that's all I gotta say. Let's try KBMX here. We're gonna hop back over to radar here towards Columbiana. Where the radar is at. Let's see here. Any rotation going on? Still just a bunch of wind shear. Nothing really rotating as of now. Okay, we're looking okay. Whoa. Golf ball size. Uh-oh, that one upgraded. Shoot, those two supercells we were just tracking a minute ago. That literally just got the warning here, guys. Now has been warned for some real large hail, possibly. Let's see, up to, what did I say, golf ball size? Yep, golf ball size hail is possible. Holy cow. How are the storms in North Texas looking? Let's look. Let's take a look at those. We actually got a report of 56-mile-an-hour winds out there towards Thackerville area, towards Leon, Marysville, right on the border between Oklahoma and Texas. We do got a severe thunderstorm warning out here towards, let's see, Bayard, towards Putnam. KDYX radar is right in it, though. Yeah, I got a couple pop-up thunderstorms. Yeah, I can definitely see where those gusty winds are at. Shoot, I'd even probably, if I was a weather service, I'd even probably warn this storm here too. Look at that thing. That one might even contain a little bit of hail too, considering those high those high reflectivity values. 67 dBz, that's quite high, and definitely pretty gusty out there, I tell you. Yeah, radar is estimating nearly 50 knot wind, 57 in one area. Wow. Yeah, at the heaviest, it's showing around 57 knots. That's well over severe. I would not be surprised if they do put a warning out for that. So yeah, we'll probably get into that here. See, crab, yum. That sounds good. I haven't had crab in forever. It's just super expensive anymore. Yeah, I'd love to have a crab night one night, but just too expensive. All right, let's see. KBMX here, northeast of that. We have Springville, we have Asheville, Ragland, and let's see, Wyattsville. 60-mile-an-hour wind gust, quarter size hail. So it looks like they did downgrade that warning. That's good. Yeah, it was once a golf ball. Now it's down to quarter. Glad to see that. That's for sure. That is for sure. All right, let's see. Wow. Yeah, these storms out there towards Hamilton. That one's getting pretty solid, it looks like. Let's see, velocity. Ooh. Might even got a little bit of low level rotation starting to occur. Uh-oh. Yeah, guys, let's watch out for this one. Looks like we're starting to develop some outbound wind shear. Could start rotating soon. So let's monitor this south of Hamilton, in northwestern Alabama. See here. Yep, so they're towards out there towards Hamilton, south of Hamilton slightly, which is directly south of Interstate 22. What's up, Rex? Hope you're doing good. But yeah, no, let's watch out for this one. Also, like I said, they put a pretty big, let's see, pretty big hail tag on this one. Yeah, golf ball size hail possible. David, he's good. See you later, Andy. Goodness. There it goes. What did I say? Golly, I'm glad they did that, because like I said, my radar was showing over 60-mile-an-hour winds. They issued it for 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Thank God, dude. Shoot, I literally called that there. I mean, look at this. I literally said that like probably 5-10 minutes ago. They needed a warning out there, and they just issued it. Let's see. Why aren't the National Weather Service not catching on? But you must be the best, and it seems you're very experienced. Well, I've been doing this for a couple of years. I mean, what I mean by couple is probably like 7 years or so. But no, the Weather Service is more educated than I am. They know what they're doing. Sometimes they're slow at catching on some things. Dude, that hook is crazy. Look at that hook echo. Golly. Thing's heading south of Hamilton here. South of Hamilton. See, you got a flash flood warning for Cherokee, Green, Jasper, Lawrence, and Newton counties in Kansas. See, good call. Thank you, Knight. But 70-mile-an-hour winds is bad. It is. Yeah, definitely got to watch out for those winds. Yeah, we're starting to get some severe thunderstorm warnings popping up left and right here now in Alabama. Things are starting to get a little crazy here now. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't really look like much rotation. That's good. I mean, it's not even really rotating. It's just a little bit of outbound winds developing. Let's see. See you later, Andrew. Everyone have a good night. Be safe, y'all. See you later, Steven. Let's see. It took a little bit to catch on whenever tornado was 2 days ago. Yeah. All right, let's hop back up here to Missouri. See what's going on up here. Yeah, still got those warnings up there in southwest Missouri. Once again, once these storms, guys, like I said, once these storms track into northern Arkansas, that's when things are going to get a little crazy. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that. That might be some rotation near Rockaway Beach. Dang. Okay, yep, let's watch this here. Is there a tornado possible on this? They do. Yeah, we're probably about to get a tornado warning here, y'all. Probably towards Merriam Woods, Forsyth. Wow, dude, look at that hook. Oh, they're 100% getting ready to pull a tornado warning. Y'all, we're about to get a tornado warning in south central Missouri. Dude, that is a textbook hook echo if I've ever seen one. Wow, dude. Oh, yeah, there is 100% some rotation under that, too. Uh-oh. Yeah, we're about to get a tornado warning, y'all. I already know it. It definitely needs one, that's for sure. Golly, dude, that is a gnarly cell. If you hear my watch in the background, it'll go off in a second. I can't... I don't know exactly why it keeps on going off at this time. So at the big hook. Oh yeah, it's a huge hook. That's in once again southwestern Missouri. Let's see here. Kylie, are you still here? Yeah, you said Branson's where your sister's at, right? The hook is just to the north here. Oh man, yeah, that's some rotation. It looks like too. Yeah, why ain't Weather Service doing nothing, y'all? They need to. Let's see here. Yeah, they need to warn that for sure. It's a little bit concerning. Not gonna lie. See, this is bad. Everyone stay safe as pilot. Yep, absolutely, y'all. Please be safe out there. Yeah, like I said, if you live out there in Rockaway Beach and Forsyth and southwestern Missouri, you better, for your safety, I would seek shelter. They issued a new severe thunderstorm warning here. Put tornado possible tag. Why did they do this? Ping pong ball size, hail 60-mile-an-hour winds. They did not put a tornado warning on this. That's kind of a dumb move, personally. Yeah, no, there's, I mean, obviously some... Definitely there for a minute. There was some pretty strong rotation there towards Merriam Woods. Yeah, corruption in CC. Yeah, sometimes velocity does not match up exactly with reflectivity, but considering there was that massive hook there, it's not surprising. Let's see here. What was the rating 2 days ago? Of the 22. You're talking about the one in Tennessee? That was at EF2. Alright, let's hop back down to Alabama real quickly. See what's going on up here. Dude, we got a train of severe thunderstorm warnings, that's for sure. Goodness. Yeah, we got a lot of them. Let's try KBMX real quickly. Hold on. Was that some rotation? Gotta get a better view. Nah, it's just strong, gusty winds, it looks like. Possibly even damaging winds. I mean, it is warned for 60-mile-an-hour winds after all, so watch out for this. Let's try Hamilton now. Yeah, it seems like there's a lot of upper level rotation on these storms. It just doesn't seem like they're reaching the surface. I mean, there's some that, I mean, that's trying to rotate, but you go upper level. Let's see here. Upper level winds. Let's try like, there we go. 1 point, oh wait, hold up. 1.3 maybe. Yeah, it seems like a lot of the storms, I mean, not right now, but like I said today, we've seen a lot of upper level winds rotating. All right, let's move back here. Yep, still got a, I don't know why they didn't put a tornado warning on that there. I mean, latest velocity scan, yeah, it's a little, it's not as strong, that's for sure, but I mean, dude, that is a massive hook still on that thing. I'd still really watch out for this towards 4th. I mean, because like I said, it only takes a minute for a tornado to not be tornadic to be on the ground. I mean, seriously, you'd be surprised at how quick a tornado can form on radar. I mean, it could literally, so radar updates about every. Well, this program updates about every 2 minutes, but so radar scans about every 2 minutes or so. So it's a lot. Even a lot can happen in those 2 minutes of between scans, which is a little concerning. Let's see here. I hear sirens like ambulance or fire rescue. Either someone wrecked or they got stuck in a flooded roadway. Says Kaylee. Yeah, it's not good. Like I said, yeah, you are in a warning. Let's see here. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen, with an additional amount of 1 to 2. Yeah, it looks like it's still raining out towards you, Kaylee. Let's still keep an eye on it. Let's hop back to. Oh, I almost closed that tab. I'm glad I didn't. Let's see here. Yeah, once again, still some large hail possible on these guys. Let's see, golf ball size hail possible out there, possibly near Brilliant, Twin, Natural Bridge, Lynn area. Got a little bit of lower level outbound, a little bit lower level inbound winds too. Not quite rotating though, which is good. Will I be here for the whole event tonight? I am not sure how long I'm going to be here. I'm going to try to push as long as I can. I mean, we've already been live for almost 2 hours now, so we've already got a decent amount of coverage in the storm event. I'm going to push it for a while. I'm not saying how long I'm going to, because I don't know how long I'm going to be live for, but I will stream as long as I can, and then whenever I start to feel like I can't go on any longer, I will call it quits. But I'm not going to I don't think I'm going to call it quits anytime soon. I'm still. Event's just starting. This is just starting, y'all. I mean, it's not even fully night yet. The big event happens at nighttime. You know, big Nocturnal event tonight. So, yeah, got to really watch out for later on tonight. What's up, Jenny? Hope you're doing good, Jen. Hope everything's all right with you. Let's see here. All right, we're gonna hop back up. Why is there another TVS here? Oh wow, no, it's dang. Yeah, it is trying to rotate, isn't it? It's a bit broad. It's a bit broad here. Let's see. Okay, still got that hook there. Yeah, I mean they at least they put a tornado possible tag on it. Tyler says just starting, folks. Yeah, it is. Yeah, the big event still is getting ready to kick off here. We're not supposed to get hit, says Diana. When lower level clouds are moving northeast while the upper level clouds are moving southeast. Never seen that. Huh. Interesting. Interesting here. Let's see. Oh, wow. Whoa. Golf ball size hail possibly up here northeast of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Let's see here. I want to see why. Hail parameters. Oh wow, yeah. There's a lot of fat thunderstorm juice in the hail development zone, which is between negative 10 degrees Celsius and negative 30 degrees Celsius, up in the atmosphere. So depending on that level, which it's pretty low, so it does allow for a pretty big hail threat today. Yeah, no, models are pretty spot on though, from what it seems with this activity. Props to the HRRR. It did a pretty good job so far. All right, we're shifting back down to Springfield, Missouri radar. Oh, wow, dude, I still can't get over that hook. Look at that thing in 4th. Goodness. And it's definitely trying to rotate a bit, that's for sure. Hop back down to Alabama real quickly. KBMX. What's up, Robin? Hope you're doing good. Also, Aiden. Ooh, what's going on here? Oh, that's probably gonna start rotating here. Uh-oh, that's not good. So out there towards southeast Pell City. Looks like we might have maybe a little bit of rotation trying to commence here. It's a donut of a storm. Look at that. It got a donut hole right in the middle of it. Yeah, let's hope that doesn't do anything, that's for sure. We don't want any naders tonight, but unfortunately they're going to be quite possible. Uh-oh. What's going on down here? New warning just popped up for a discrete cell towards Barry, Alabama. Let's see. I wish I had a little better. Let's see. KGWX might be the best way to go with this on radar. Towards Barry. Yeah, a bit of upper level rotation, it looks like. Let's keep an eye on that. They probably put a tornado possible tag on it. They did not. Surprising. 60 mile an hour wind gust, quarter size hail. Okay. All right, let's hop back over to Missouri. Yeah, I'd keep it out there towards Forsyth. I mean, it looks like it's trying on and off to try to rotate. Not to mention there was a well-defined hook here not long ago. I mean, look at that hook here on that storm not too long ago. I think it was quite crazy, that's for sure. That hook has become obscured in rain. So now it's kind of embedded. But there's still a possible, bit of broad rotation that's ongoing there. Pilot says, how have everyone? Pretty good, Pilot. Hope you're doing good. Let's see here. Yeah, things like I said, things are really starting to take off here in Alabama. I'll tell you what. They better extend that watch south. Are they considering it even? Because those storms are going to run out of that watch area here very soon. Primary corridor. Let's see. Watch number 617. It's that current watch we have right now. Let's see. MD. Mezcal discussions. Yeah, they don't have any out there. Yeah, they better consider issuing some more watches down south. Let's see. Wait. These are moving eastbound. Oh, they did extend the watch. Okay, that's good. They extended it around Birmingham for some reason. Like, for some odd reason, the weather service, you can see Birmingham got that watch extended all around it. So first of all, the watch was issued. Then they issued it further down south, kind of for the west area of Birmingham. And then they brought it down a little bit more with an arch going over Birmingham, and here recently they extended it even further down. So now it's like it's going right around Birmingham. It's like, okay. Why not just include Birmingham? I mean, because they're in the middle of that stuff too. I mean, I get Birmingham's a populated area, but still, it's a watch. It means you got to pay attention to those areas. I mean, Birmingham literally is in a path of a supercell right now. It's like, so why not extend that watch out there? I don't know. Sometimes I can't. Sometimes I don't understand the weather service. Don't understand their logic sometimes. Let's see here. All right. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's much rotation going on anymore. It looks like it's still possibly trying, but it's not really succeeding in doing anything tornadic right now. It's just. It's okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's not really anything out there either. Let's see, KGWX radar northeast Mississippi. Let's see, lots of storms in Ozark, Missouri. Gotcha. Let's see here. All right. But I'm glad to say we're still looking okay right now. Glad to say we're still looking all right. See, like and subscribe to help Andrew. Yeah, thank you, Crystal. Yeah, guys, if you have not already, please do me a favor. Consider subscribing, leaving a like. Greatly appreciate y'all. Let's see. New mesoscale discussion. Oh, where's that for? Let's see here. Apparently the Weather Service or Storm Prediction Center is considering issuing another watch, maybe. Let's see. Let's see here. All right, so Storm Prediction Center. Here we go. Yeah, 13 minutes ago. Got an update from the Weather Service saying that primary corridor for wind and hail. But they included Birmingham in this. Birmingham's right there. Why is my pen so thick here? Yeah, look, they included Birmingham, or they did not include Birmingham. It's weird, because like I said, the watch goes like this. It literally goes around Birmingham for some reason. Yet the area that they're talking about, primary corridor for hail and wind, it goes right over. Dude, Weather Service, you're weird sometimes. I don't understand why they did that. Alright, let's see here. Let's see. Just issued a new watch here in Alabama. Well, they didn't issue a new one. They, or did they? Oh, wow. You know what? They sure did. Oh, that's weird. Why is... So they issued a new watch in that watch area that was already watched. It got watchception going on now. Let's see. Yeah. And they did include Birmingham. Thank you, Weather Service. Got watch number 117, watch number 617 in effect until 9 p.m. So we got an hour on that one. Yeah, new one extends into 12 midnight Eastern. Ah, there we go. Now I'm getting it. Okay, cool. Yeah, for also portions of west central Georgia, too. Okay, that's cool. Gotcha. Alright, let's hop back over here to Missouri. Don't got much going on right now, other than a couple severe thunderstorm warnings. Just for, normal stuff. Quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Nothing too crazy. Or, sorry, that was outdated. Whoops. I was on the right scan. Or I was not on the right scan there. Yeah, still same thing, though. Still same thing. Ping pong ball size hail, though, possibly. It's pretty large hail, 1.5 inches in diameter. Let's see. Yeah, the hail is probably there towards like Bradleyville and east of Taneyville. Yeah, so that's that. See you later, Jenny. Thanks for joining. Yeah, no, that is interesting. Let's see here. I felt bad for leaving Birmingham out. I see. Yeah, I guess they did. I guess they did. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know why they did. They kind of avoided Birmingham at all costs. For some reason, it ain't updating here either. Got that tornado watch though as well. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I got severe thunderstorm watches on. Radar Omega is a weird program sometimes. I tell you what. Alright, let's hop down to Alabama again. Check on our cluster of storms. KMXX radar. Yeah, there's like no rotation in these ones, which is good. Yeah, tornado probability down here. The further south you go in central and southern portions of Alabama, it's actually pretty low. Let's look over here, though, towards Pellville. Or Pell City, sorry. Yeah, a lot of turbulence. I tell you what, likely some gusty winds. See, golf ball size hail still. Wow. Yeah, probably there towards Pell City. A little bit of pink popping up on mine. Yeah, anytime you start to see the pink pop up on my color table, that usually means big hail possible. Yep, golf ball size hail. Got to keep an eye out there for that. Clayton, please stop spamming, dude. Yeah, personally, I don't know what the rating is. Look at the Weather Service. Look on the preliminary ratings. See, I cannot follow you on Twitter. Sorry, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Oh, we actually did change our Twitter handle, by the way. It's at NWW116_WX instead of NWW162. It sounds like a false. It sounds like a fake account, but it's not. That's why I changed it. Checking out Louisville real quickly. Checking for my area real fast. Nothing much going up on here. It's a couple embedded weak thunderstorms. Has there been any tornadoes yet? Apparently there's been a report of a tornado earlier today. Yeah. According to, let's see, where was this at? Yeah, Alabama maybe? Oh, no. Wow. No, it wasn't in Alabama. You know where it was at, guys? It was in Arizona. How rare is that, dude? Yeah, Arizona. There you go. Reported tornado earlier today. Right there. That's a tornado report. Wow, that is crazy. That's the last place I would have expected it. Man. Alright, let's see here. KGWX, we're going to hop back over here to that radar. But man, that is crazy. That's literally in Arizona. That is nuts. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple areas that might be trying to rotate here soon. We'll keep an eye on it. Hey, Carson. Hope you're doing good, man. All right, we're going to hop down to KMXX. Like I said, Alabama's starting to get some pretty solid activity here. Yeah, some upper-level rotation, across some of those areas, like Pell City. It seems like, once again, it seems like most of this has been upper-level rotation for the most part. Which obviously it is. Whoa, is that a bit of... Uh-oh. That might be a bit of rotation here east of Carbon Hill. Right in there. Southeast of Nauvoo. Let's see here. Chase WX says check BMX. Okay, I'm on BMX right now. Check BMX radar between Carbon Hill and Nauvoo. Yeah, that's funny. That's literally what I was just looking at. But yeah, no, I see what you're talking about. Right in there. Let's see. What about KGWX? That's what I want to see. I mean, oh yeah, it does. Yeah, both of the radars have a possible little air rotation. Also, that's where the updraft is too. Oh man, yeah, that's where the storm updraft is. Drink water every time Andrew says, "I tell you what." Oh gosh, Hank Hill. Oh shoot, I just spilled water all over the place. Whoops. All right, let's see here. Yeah, but there definitely is a bit of rotation east of Carbon Hill here. We need to look out for. Just keep an eye on that. All right, we're gonna pop down to or pop back up here towards Missouri for a minute. Yeah, no rotation. Yeah, not really any rotation. Most of this stuff here is most of the stuff here is just for like mostly big hail. Actually, it's what a lot of Missouri is getting right now. Was there even a tornado risk in Arizona? There is not. Yep. There's not even a severe weather risk out there. What's going on down here? Storage shed damaged. And we got some storms popping up down here in southeastern Oklahoma. Actually, sorry, south central Oklahoma towards Marietta. Let's see here, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, penny size hail. Okay. Gotcha. What radar do I use? I get asked that every single stream, I feel like, and I get so tired of I get so tired of telling people what it is after literally every stream. SPC outlooks aren't perfect. Yeah, that's for sure. I mean, they give you a good area of where general tornadoes are expected. They're not anything perfect like you said, but they give you an estimate of what we're kind of seeing here. Let's see here. Not comforting that places that had lower chance of tornadoes got some. Main event, Arkansas crawling in and start. Yeah, that's crazy. I would have not expect the first tornado of the day to be across Arkansas. Or, no, Arizona, sorry. Arkansas, maybe, but out of the main event, maybe Arkansas or Missouri. Yeah, like I said, Southern Missouri and Arkansas has that. Andrew needs a hat that just the radar system he uses at this point. Wait, what? Oh, true. Have like the radar name. We use, well, in this case, GR2. We use GR2. I need to make that. Yeah, it's the name of the program. Last time, everybody, GR2 Analyst. It's $250 program, by the way, so it's not that cheap. Pretty expensive. Let's see. You're gonna hop back down south. But yeah, a lot of isolated supercells are popping off across Alabama right now. Like I said, a lot of upper level rotating thunderstorms right now. But yeah. Oh, we got a little bit of a hook down here south of Pell City. Y'all see this here? Just keep an eye out there for that. Let's see. Also, yeah, that one towards Carbon Hills. Maybe trying a bit. Oh, God, TRG. You're going to kill me, man. Aren't you streaming, bro? Let's see here. Yeah, nothing but just severe thunderstorms, y'all. Really just nothing but that. Is this storm worse than the other day? In some aspects, it's forecasted to be, such as hail. This is expected to be much more of a hail or much more of a nasty event in terms of hail, potentially. Damaging winds, forecasted, not really, but it's still going to be possible for some nasty winds. But yeah. Oh, TRG ended. I got you, man. Carson, I swear, you're about to get demoted. Goodbye, mod. Let's see. Yeah, still nothing's been. I mean, we've had a lot of upper level rotation, but not anything has got to the base of the thunderstorm yet. Let's see, we got that one warning still in south central Missouri for ping pong ball size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Take a look back up meso analysis real quickly. I like to look at updates of meso analysis. Let's go and hop full screen here for a minute. All right, let's see. Whenever it comes to it here, let's see. We're gonna look at lower relative helicity. Yeah, so that's what I'm a little concerned about here, y'all. Is like I was saying here, the helicity basically measures potential of the rotating updrafts. Higher the values, meaning possibly the stronger the rotation could. I mean, in theory, it could be. We got all this thunderstorm activity popping up here. Once again, across southwestern Arkansas right now, and like I said, the highly tornadic environment is in northeastern Arkansas, even extending into portions of like western Tennessee, which I wouldn't be surprised if we did get a couple tornadoes out there as well, as storms continue to progress southeastward. But once these storms track their way into this highly favorable environment, then yes, we'll have to watch out for this. Let's see. Also, low-level winds. Yeah, we have a pretty strong low-level jet stream out there too, especially in northern Arkansas. So that's probably why we're not seeing much tornadic activity right now, is because of the lack of lower-level winds. We're talking only like 15 knots being up here, which that does increase to 25 to 30 knots of lower-level winds, about 4,000 feet aloft. So as these storms roll into northern Arkansas, that tornado threat's that's going to increase. Which honestly, in terms of meso analysis, I don't think we needed a 10% chance for tornadoes in southern Missouri. I mean, considering we're seeing right now, definitely needed it for Arkansas though. I can tell you that one. Definitely need it. See, 450. I'm in that little doom there. Yeah, 450, 0 to 3 kilometer storm relative helicity. That's pretty potent. That's pretty potent, that's for sure. Let's see, all right, we're going to hop back down to Alabama. Let's see what kind of upper level rotation mess we got going on now. Let's see. Storms just came through Tennessee. The atmosphere is too cool for tornadoes in Tennessee, Briar. We'll wait till you get another line later on today. That's the thing, my friend. It's coming in 2 waves for you. Getting some isolated discreteness, kind of clustered actually, to essentially a big old possible QLCS to roll through late this evening, early tomorrow morning. But yeah, there's a tornado watch, says Andrew, approaching me. Well, stay safe out there, my friend. Yeah, if you're not in a watch right now, then you got nothing really to worry about. But here soon, I mean, you could get drawn into the watch here. Right now, we only have a tornado watch across northwestern Arkansas. They're probably going to extend that south here soon. I would assume in the next 1-2 hours or so, we'll probably have a new watch out somewhere down in northern Arkansas. I mean, they're likely going to include it for like Jonesboro, Mountain Home area. Yeah, we're going to get a watch somewhere around here. Here probably pretty soon. Once again, maybe 1 to 2 hours or so. Wouldn't be too surprised if that, if that was a little bit more sooner. But yeah, this is a watch in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern. So we still got 3 hours on this guy. All right, let's hop back to radar, y'all. We're going to hop back up to, let's see, back to velocity. Let's see what's going on up here. I mean, like I said, we got some upper level rotation. I mean, this is something pretty broad anyways, 4,000 feet. I mean, that's about 850 millibar zone. Man, oh man. Let's try KBMX again. I feel like this has been a weird August for weather events. It sure has, hasn't it? It's been a really, I mean, last month, I mean, we had, days of, obviously every day was severe. We had severe weather days every day, but it was kind of on the milder end of the spectrum. However, this season, it seems like that western blocking high pressure has finally vanished, and we started getting more trough ejections in the U.S., which started allowing for more and more, severe weather events to occur. Which, I mean, yeah. Let's see here. Sun is in the process of coming back. I'm going to hop off and make dinner. All right, sounds good, Kaylee. Well, be safe out there. Actually, I think your main concern's over, actually. Yeah, it's already rolled through your neck of the woods. But thank you for joining, Kaylee. Hope you have a wonderful night if I don't see you again. Let's see here. How's Atlanta looking? Yeah, Atlanta's got to watch out today. Y'all got a chance for a couple severe weather possibilities. All hazards, I think, is a concern out there. All right, let's see. Yeah, still really no lower level. Still really no lower level rotation yet. Mostly just mid-level stuff. Let's see here. Why is Alabama producing most robust supercells with none of the mid-level rotation mixing into the surface? Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I mean, everything I've seen today has been mid-level rotation. It's just... Let me look at the meso analysis out here. I have not really looked at the meso analysis much in these regions of the southeast. First of all, I'm going to look at the instability. I did see the instability. There's a lot of energy. I mean, a big gradient of strong, cape out there. I mean, we got trust me, we got enough fuel for these thunderstorms to last for days. Let's see here. Yeah, but like I said, lower level jet streams, yeah, fairly weak still. I mean, we're talking 10, 15, 20 knots. I mean, kind of a little weak. Let's see, helicity out there. Helicity's not terrible. I mean, we're talking 200 plus. Could support a couple weak tornadoes. Can't be ruled out, but yeah. Now once again, that big tornado threat seems. Oh wow, look at that. That updated, putting a lot of Tennessee in that heavy SRH area. Let's see here. But yeah, no, absolutely. Look at bulk shear. Yeah. Wind shear is not the greatest down there. It's not too strong. All right, we're gonna hop back down here. Enough of the nerd talk. I always notice the viewership drops whenever we talk about nerd stuff. Everybody's like, "Man, I don't have time for this. I don't need to hear about no nerd talk." I mean, but it all lines up though. It all lines up to what's going to happen, you know. So a lot of instability, not much shear up there towards Alabama, but it could just be enough to produce a couple isolated tornadoes. Meanwhile, in Arkansas, it's a totally different story. A lot stronger wind shear. Still got a fair amount of juice. I mean, we're still talking over 3,500 MLK, but still quite a bit. All right, let's see here. We're going to switch back to KGWX for a minute. Let's see. Still nothing. Let's see. Where does the HRRR take this in the next couple of hours? Let's see. We were just looking at the rainfall. Take a look here back at reflectivity for a moment. 23Z is coming through. 23 Zulu. We don't want no rainfall. Come on. Simulate reflectivity. Here we go. This is the latest model. Dang, dude. Let me try a wrap here. Just grab a random sounding across that dry slot. If I grab it across where the storm's at, it's going to be a heck of contaminated. It looks pretty capped out, but I think that forcing will blast through that cap there, so I don't see that much of a problem. I mean, yeah, SRH values around mid 200s. It's kind of a weird weird little photograph there, but okay. Let's see. Sorry for the nerd stuff, guys. I'm just trying to get some more information on these storms here. Got the never accurate model. Do I even dare take a sounding from NAM? Sure, it's kind of capped out, actually. See, this is at 03 Zulu. This is like real early. Here we go. This is at midnight. Oh, this is around now, actually. I guess they're launching new weather balloons at the moment. Yeah. Wow, dude. Look at that. Quite a photograph there. Definitely some lower level rotation, that's for sure. All right, we're done with this. Sorry, y'all. Not trying to bore y'all. Just had to take a look at a few things here. Why is there a TVS on this thing? What in the heck is going on here? Yeah, according to Springfield radar, we have a TVS down here for some reason. They did put out a new warning for it. They included tornado possible tag? No, they didn't. Quarter size hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds being a possibility. See, need the nerd stuff to know the weather is true. That is true. See, main event has not even started. Some storms are expected to be highly tornadic. Talk about midnight. Yep. No, I mean, like I said, now the sun's going down. I mean, it's already 8 o'clock here, and the sun's like setting at the moment. So it's starting to get pretty dark out here. I mean, you can even see the sun. You can even see the sun setting here on the satellite view. I mean, look at this. See how it's been like, you know, you can see how it gets more hazy there towards, because it's the beams are going through more particles, more dust and stuff. But now you can see that line forming throughout southwestern Missouri, northeastern Oklahoma here. You can also see that bubbling convection down there in Alabama too. But yeah, no, the sun's starting to go down, and yeah, once these guys cross more southeast into this environment here, I think that's whenever we're gonna have some big tornadoes, or a bigger shot for tornadoes, I should say. A couple big ones could exist. Like I said, we do have a significant threat out there, so got to watch out for possibly even some damaging tornadoes. Maybe EF2+. Whoa! We just got a 76-mile-an-hour wind gust report. Holy cow! That's the biggest one of the day, that's for sure. Measured using an anemometer. No, I thought you would have got that using a thermometer. What? Bro, I thought you were using a spatula to measure the wind speeds. This dude. What kind of warning? What kind? What kind of text would you put? Oh, I measured it using an anemometer. No kidding. That's the only. I'm about to rage. Oh my goodness. Like, what are they supposed to measure the winds with other than an anemometer? Shoot. It's kind of what an anemometer does. Oh man. All right. Let's hop back down to KMXX here for a minute. An odometer. That's funny. Yeah, still just I mean, I see a lot of turbulence here still. Dude, I still can't believe that report, man. Shoot. You know, honestly, just because they said that, it makes me question the authenticity. I use a Walmart bag. Now, it makes me think of, like, how accurate was this now? Dude, you know, this is probably, like, probably reported by somebody who has, like, an Amazon anemometer that's cost you $2. See, severe thunderstorm watch in Denton, Texas area. Yeah, I seen that. Yeah, for northern Texas, we gotta watch. Yep. But yep, apparently 76 has been reported here. No longer under a warning now. So, let's see here, amateur radio apparently. See, clouds choking out the fuel. Northern Arkansas, best bet for tornadoes. Yep. Yep, that's the best bet. Yeah, I like I said, personally, I don't think we needed that 10% risk up there in southern Missouri. I think we needed it towards, yeah, well, I think they did good by keeping it in Arkansas, but they could have probably laid off a bit on Missouri, considering that, you know, well, nothing's happened. So far, it's a bust. So far, it's a bust. And let's hope it remains this way. Yeah, let's just keep an eye on it. So we got some we got some damage reports. Storage shed, we already seen that one. Portions of roof removed from residents. Time estimated by via radar at 2340 UTC. Wow. Man, oh man. Yeah, I got some damage out of that one storm out down there in south central Oklahoma. Still got a TVS on this guy for some unknown reason. Let's see here. Any news on Nashville? We're at severe threat level 3 out of 5. Nashville. Let's see here. Yeah, no, I think a lot of Nashville right now is just kind of dealing with some weird, some normal convection. Later on down in time, though, like with the models and all, like the HRRR was showing, it shows Nashville getting hit like late, like 2 a.m. I'm not gonna be live at 2 a.m. but it shows it kind of hitting there. Want to see some big storms today? Horrible chase day for me. It's not even really a good chase day for anybody, considering that it's a nighttime event. You never should chase nighttime events. I mean, even the most educated storm chasers. I mean, absolutely nobody needs it. Nobody should chase at night. Let's see here. Possible little area of rotation north of Camp Hill. Keep an eye on that. Still just mostly just wind gusts, essentially. A little bit of rotation here towards Eldridge, but that's likely upper level. Guarantee you it's not going to be there on this scan. Let's see. Yeah, it's hardly even anything over there. Definitely some strong winds out there, I'll tell you what. That is for sure. Let's see, what do they got the warning for? Source, train weather spotters. This storm has a history of producing damaging wind gusts. They have it up to 60. Let's see. Wind threat observed. Was that based off of that 76 mile an hour wind gust? That anemometer report's going to crack me up for a good bit. It's glaring on me on the map. Yeah. Dude, I tell you what, man. Some of these reports that people put out there is just ridiculous. It's like sometimes it makes you wonder if they're even like of age to be even reporting weather. It's like that's like a type of report I would expect a 4-year-old child to put out there. All right, let's see here. Can you tell me how tall the cell is, cloud height? So we can't measure the height of clouds. We can measure the height of precipitation using echo tops. Let's see here. They are pretty strong out there toward. Wow, look at that. 58,000 feet. Or 58 KFT, kilo feet. So 58,000 feet, yeah. That's pretty tall top thunderstorms, I'll tell you what. That's for sure. Pretty tall topped. I'm ready for fall, dude. I'm ready for winter, Crystal. Sometimes I wonder if the NWS is starting to drop their reliance on spotter network given the amount of false reports recently. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Oh, man, look at this one. Whoa, 63,000 feet. Golly. Yeah, that's a tall thunderstorm. Let's see here. Golf ball size hail on that one. It's got a bit of a hook on it, too. That might be some weak rotation right in there. See that? That might be something. It's kind of weak. It's not really anything strong. 60,000 is about the limit? No. Well, for this event right now, yes, it's 63,000. Storm tops can get as high as 70,000 feet. Yeah, depends on the tropopause and the level of that. Higher the tropopause, obviously, the higher the convection can continue. Let's see here. During my spotter class, NWS talked about all the bad reports they get and urged us to only report things if they are important. Absolutely. Yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah, we don't... Yeah. That's good. We don't need any false reports, that's for sure. It's terrible. Let's see. Yeah, that might be some rotation south of Ironton. See, Joseph says, hey, y'all, Jefferson County, Arkansas, weather spotter here. Hope nothing bad happens in Central Arkansas tonight. What's up, Joseph? Hope you're doing good, man. And yeah, it looks possible. It does. Like I said, that's where the ingredients are strongest, is in kind of like, yeah, north central, northeastern Arkansas. It's kind of where I believe the strongest activity will be. Probably somewhere in like, somewhere in this region. It's probably going to be quite the strongest. Let's see here. What about... I'm going to hop you all back over here real quickly to the models for a minute. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. Here we go. Convective here is to storm relative helicity. Here we go. Yeah, so there you go. So the models have the helicity increasing, meaning the potential for low rotation increases right across central north. Yeah, right across central northeastern. I mean, 200 plus can, 200 to 300 can produce some, kind of moderate tornadoes. But once you start to go into territory of 400 plus, that's when you can get some violent stuff. And you can see some of those pockets getting up there. Let's see it. Does this measure up with the instability? That's what I want to know. It's kind of capped out for some reason. Just go and grab a sounding out there real quickly. Not trying to bore y'all out here, but I'm just trying to get some more information on this real quickly. Oh, that's contaminated. Ew. Yeah, I figured it probably will be. Alright, I'm just going to hop back here. Yep, sun's officially setting, guys. So watching from Trinidad, we are having plenty rain, flooding in areas never flooded before. Unusual weather. Gotta love that El Nino shift, that's for sure. Light rain starting. Oh, okay. About to say I got an alert saying light rain starting. Alright, let's see here. Apparently still there's a TVS. What's going on with the radar here, man? Still got a warning there for... They got it up to 70 now. They increased it. Train weather spotters. Still got it up to 70 mile an hour winds being possible. Dang, we've already been live for over 2.5 hours. Or for almost 2.5 hours here. Still not seeing much rotation, though. That's good. That's good. We don't want any of that. Let's see. Can I load up some Alabama? Oh, yeah. Alabama didn't have very good cameras. Yeah, as these storms head into Arkansas, I'll tell you what, I think we got good coverage out here in Arkansas. Here, y'all. Let's see, trying to get these traffic cameras up for y'all. Let's see. Yes. All right, we got some live cams up here. We're going to pull them up for whenever. Yeah, once the storms kick off in Arkansas, I'll tell you what, guys, we got quite a network here. Let's see, pointing north. Let's try another one here, like south. Well, one pointing north here. Here we go. All right, we'll keep this guy for now, just for now until storms approach it. Let's see. Back on the radar scan. Still not seeing much. Nothing more than just some gusty winds. Not really anything heavy rotating. That's good. Don't want any of that. That's for sure. Uh-oh, didn't mean to open up OBS. Whoops. See, bust, not busy. Like I said, still can't call it a bust. I mean, the main event hasn't even really started yet, but it's getting close. It's getting real close. Will I cover North Carolina tomorrow? Probably. Knowing me, I'm always live during severe weather days, so I'll try to be. Let's see, I appreciate you cover Arkansas, says Lorene. No problem. Anytime, y'all. Oh, there we go. First warning in Arkansas now for Mountain Home. 70 mile an hour wind gusts and let's see, quarter size hail. There you go. Yep, storms are. Oh wow, yeah, storms are a lot closer to Arkansas than I thought they were. They're right on the line here. Let's see here. Do I have any cameras out in Mountain Home? I do. Guess what, guys? I got some cameras out in Mountain Home. That's for sure. See any north-facing cameras? That's what I want to look for. Got some east ones. Got a north one, but it's temporarily unavailable. Come on, man. Alright. I guess best option is looking west, maybe. Okay, we'll keep it on this camera. Alright, well, that's good enough. Didn't say you can full screen there. But, yep, so Bull Shoals, Mountain Home area is now under a severe thunderstorm warning here for, once again, 70 mile an hour wind gusts being possible and quarter size hail. Weather radio constantly going off here. It says Chase WX. I could imagine, dude. I could imagine. Let's see here. What time are we expecting storms in Arkansas to pop off? Now. Because we just got our first warning in Arkansas, just like now. Looks like y'all got a bit of hills out there in towards Mountain Home. Oh, wow. I guess why they call it Mountain Home. Boy, that was smart. Oh, I worry about myself sometimes. I'll tell you what, y'all. Alright, let's hop down to Alabama. Still nothing. KMXX, maybe? Let's try this guy. Dude, it's just going to go from nothing, like not much rotation, not much tornadic activity, to just full-on tornado mode. That's what I'm worried about. That's what I'm just waiting for. It's going to go from nothing, underwhelming, to complete overwhelming. That's what I'm just worried about. Let's see here. Okay. Radar indicated, so... I'd say let's watch this guy. Whoa, I just wait a minute. This thing might try to rotate here eventually. You know why? because we got some of those receding winds heading north, and then these winds are kind of heading this way. They could wrap around each other at some point. Northeast of Camp Hill. Not rotating yet, but I think it probably could at some point. I tell you what, drink. There you go. I used to live in Mountain Home. It was beautiful there. It looks like a nice little area. Until a storm hits it. Yeah, but like I said, you guys out there in Mountain Home has a 70-mile-an-hour wind gust report, 70-mile-an-hour wind warning. There was reports of 76 from an anemometer. A little bit ago. You think it's going to go crazy come tonight, Andrew? It's possible. I mean, the environment is primed for possible tornadic activity. Not just tornadoes, hail, damaging winds, and flooding, too. I mean, the environment's there. So far, it's been a little underwhelming, but let's say, I mean, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. But once again, I do think that I do think that the good thing is, or the biggest event, will be across, like, kind of central, or north-central, northeastern Arkansas. New warning just got issued for Pineville, southwestern Missouri here. Let's see here. Arkansas has some terrible storm-chasing terrain, so many hills. That's true. Yeah, there is a bit of hills out there, it looks like. Apparently it's raining at home. My weather station says it's raining at home. So I guess it's raining here. Haven't heard any thunder or anything, so it's just normal rain showers. You'll blink and suddenly two mesoscale discussions drop. Speaking of, let's go and take a look at that. Is there any new... yeah, I don't think there's any new mesoscale discussions. Could be wrong. Let me actually get rid of the camera for a minute, y'all. Yeah, last mesoscale discussion was for Alabama 57 minutes ago. So, still nothing. Alright. I'll bring y'all's camera back. Gonna hop back down to, oh wow, it's a new warning I see? No, it's just the same ones. Big old cluster of just warnings. A lot of clustered supercells kicking up there. I mean, they're still classified as supercells. Okay, so to be classified as a quote-unquote supercell, the definition is a rotating thunderstorm. Even if it's rotating in the upper or mid-levels, it's still classified as a supercell. Even if it's not, it doesn't have to be lower-level rotation to be classified as a supercell. So that's why I say these are still supercells, because we still have some mid-upper level rotation on some of these guys. Just hasn't quite worked its way to the ground. Let's see here. Back over towards north central Arkansas. Yeah, like I said, once again, we're starting to get some activity starting to pop up here in Arkansas. Got to keep an eye on it. Let's see here. Has anyone been watching the sun deal magnetism of Earth and all? No, I have not. I have not. Alright, let's see here. Back meso analysis for a minute. I want to see what the latest conditions are across the way. Let's see here. Okay, yeah. Yeah, tornado ingredient seems to be the best across northeastern Arkansas here. Seems like that threat's becoming more broad too, actually. Interesting. Okay, let's keep an eye on it. Guess that's all we can do, huh? See, KSGF radar. We're going to switch back over here real quickly. Dude, I tell you what, that is a windbag and a half. I mean, yeah, all that blue there, guys, that's showing some real strong winds out there. Heading towards Oakland and, let's see, Gainesville, Clark Ridge, eventually Bull Shoals, maybe getting some of this here eventually. So let's keep an eye out there for those regions there. Let's let's see here. Yeah, let's hop back to Alabama real quick. KGWX real quickly. KBMX might be the way to go. Because, yeah, KBMX is kind of surrounded by all these storms. Still not seeing any rotation, though. That might be a bit of weak rotation right here. Southeast of Barry. Y'all see that? Let me try KGAWX real quickly and see if this one pulls it up. It's kind of contaminated, corrupted here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll watch it. It could be something. Could be something. Let's see. Looks like the convective inhibition, or CIN, over Mountain View, Arkansas is struggling to maintain. Maybe it's just a lack of forcing. Yeah, there is a bit of, is a little bit, but no, that shouldn't affect it. Shouldn't affect it. I mean, because even then, it's a small amount of a cap. Shouldn't be. It's pretty weak cap. Should just be able to blast through it. I don't think that's going to affect it at all. Look at the velocity north of Auburn, Alabama. Looks potential rotation. Where's Auburn? It's the thing. I'm terrible at geography out here, because I don't live out here, obviously. Got a visual on that storm in Walker County, Alabama, from my house 25 miles away. Big time hailer, looks like. Seems like, yeah, a lot of these guys are starting to like cluster up into one another. Let's see what's going on up here. Okay. Dang. Oh my gosh, I accidentally started the stupid program again. Dude, second time I've opened OBS here. Oh wow. Trees uprooted or snapped, roof blown off. So I think this might be some trolling reports here. I mean, maybe the tree limbs, shingles blown off, but trees uprooted or snapped, roof blown off, I think that's a bit false. Because I don't even think 70-mile-an-hour winds can blow a roof off of a house. Could probably take some shingles, but probably not completely remove a roof. Oh, we got a new mesoscale discussion just now coming out. Graphic is currently unavailable. It'll be out in a minute. Dude, that is... Let's see here. Trees uprooted. Gotcha. Alright. Well, guys, I think I might call it a stream here for now. We've been live for about 3 hours, almost 3 hours now. Like I said, a lot of the event still has yet to happen. I may come back later on tonight, though. I will probably, knowing me, I'll probably come back tonight if things start to get real sour. But just at least for now, since there's really nothing more going on and hardly even any rotation, I think I'm going to go ahead and call it a stream for right now. But we might be back later on tonight. We'll see how that goes. Probably small trees and some shingles. Yeah, probably. I'd say absolute most. I don't know why they said roof was blown off. Don't even think 70-mile-an-hour winds can blow off an entire roof here. But yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and call it a stream for now, guys. Just, you know, kind of doing that. Been chasing since 1994. It's relaxing. Dude, yeah, that's awesome, man. The 90s were some times for chasing. I mean, I wasn't alive back then, but you know, like looking at old technology from the 90s and stuff is cool. Really, really cool. But yeah. But all right, guys. Well, once again, thank you all so much for joining us. Once again, we'll probably be back here later on today. Not sure exactly what time, but like I said, if things start to get a little hairy out there, a little nasty, then we'll head back over. Most likely. No, maybe we probably will. Please do come back for sure. Most of the other live streams aren't even that great. Well, thank you, man. That means a lot. See, but okay. All right, y'all. We'll take care. Stream's going to head off here in 2 minutes. So if y'all have anything you want to say, go ahead and say it now. And we'll catch you guys possibly later on. All right, y'all. See you later. Have a good day.